Jamu ache mu akwa Badom TV Badwam jumade so anopai samwasie na brason sa wotibi Adom TV Badwam kase doso na yeto dwa mu bi a wobetie ni Ghana Publishing Association se aban na adwene po bi a won mu afa sa wode to betoto textbooks ahodo a yakraba no ohwe ne hu yi mama onyine hu achinyemfa makora na benya nsonso ewo nwomasua ye de bebrɛw enipa mienu nso ene nsu afa won ewo faana afimwani ena nkodankono sukufo womo ekuskuansu edo wonko yede honsam no ebeba no nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 YouTube ye Adom TV 2 mede afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den nsem ni chiremu ankasa etie Ghana Publishing Association one more etro books ahodo se aban adwen poni ni hwehwe bia waye ne se books a credible memo wo the VAT to so 27.5% no obono kokko onyai momo onye kura afise okoye pe ebenya how ewe nwomasua anase adusua so Adom TV kase eto so
last year aban na adwen se o the VAT but imported books so and VAT so but to textbook selling from sales so now can you bo mu amount 27.5% and you ko yi uni ama report but you have 27% of the value na if you about cheap na ya ka say su nim say ene no dollar some kosoro any ade and ama already no ye ho kire kakra no crampo de publisher de ye no to ho adwuma na ye nyemfa substitute wi an ye pe and ye hwedi ye de letter akoma minister say yesre na daroma of education on the finance nkasama ye no mo nhwe na emre no nso se ombe sa ade no o se nyina didi nkomo no ye hwe how e be say build the local printing industry sector no ama etimi take care of sa vacuum ne beba no enti ahweanim na mreso kwa na eko tina wo se e de tudwa na ama timamfo na me adwen se publishers for na ye pesi ka bi age afro mo
adehye ya womo ewofa na se ensuo na da won ho no gusu efa wo adehye to no no nsie do na afimu ani ne beto odwa se suku mo frankono ensuo no afa won mo ko bra subonto a na womo de befie womo pon school womo de befie no emunkam efemu Adom kase ko ho no mo kwa akohwe afie chide na akoso ene akote se ensuo no gusu efa adehye bi de kwa yamane boni kwa menum etwaso
ahaye fana so be ka ya afie twemu na school kola bi etwa ensuo ahwi a wo mun share life jacket omo wo ha afinie me ekoso wa no ebi na wo hu no wo koyi bebi asa kudro no efre ba no eho na me pese fo ne twa na wo hwe bebi a kudro bi eba wo no eho na omo ko nanso ade efre ne life jacket no omo nhye bi omo dodo na e patre se life jacket omo ndo ba ha no be se 9 na 9 no school kola omo cross sansuo yi anumpo no enso omo oni Adom kase ye twetwe nkomo no wo kire se dodo na nsuru gugem a wonim de besi ye kire ebra ye koduro fana no ehunu so manfo bi wa rehemu ne ni da so se obetwa nsuo no akwaba na nso life jacket a obetimi de abo won ho ban ne de ebi nhye wo mo o kire mu a enre wuko ye yi enipa mienu nsuo yi fa wo mo a ba ko mu wo hunu asie ofofore ka ho no ohunu na mu besi ne
na adensi mi won so mu mi tu net na mi ti dede no obi mbra o me be ko no nipa na aka so mu up to now ye nya ho no small boy ye nya ho no
nipa wo se okura kodoa no ye se hu aye trouble bi nti kodoa no we jesu ho no mo nti na ade ne happy nti sa kodoa no wo hanka se na nipa mienu na ekato
Adom TV Badwam kase na guso ehwe no na convener ema Adom so must stop sinitwani abayo Yvonne Nelson nene wose wabona homoden pass nwakuo bi etese Imani Africa ya 2015 mo won mo eka won ho ma Dumso Vigil eba so no ka wombesa beka won ho afie mu de nanso mu bia ni ho a ofi wo mo nanso ni nyina mu no empusu won se bia won bejai Dumso no wo ho ntia wo so otwe aban no adwene siso se e de wo hawo bre won a Adom TV kase etwaso.
I believe you guys saw all of that on Twitter. I sent a tweet. I also I issued a statement. I sent them WhatsApp messages. Too bad they both did not reply my messages. So of course they know everything that's going on, and yeah, it's quite unfortunate they are not a part of us now. I believe that any Ghanaian who has the passion, you know, who wants to see a better Ghana can join in, and it's going to work out all right. If Kofi Bentil, Imani Ghana, and the MPP would not support us or join us, it's not going to stop some of us. You know, I'm a Ghanaian, and I believe all of you here are being affected negatively by Dumso. The same people are also saying that, oh, and I said Dumso wait 6 months, and do 1 year. So why are you doing it? 2015 was 4 years. So the same people you're saying that are giving me pressure, others are also saying that, but you can't compare this Dumso to Mohammed's time, you know. So whatever you do, whether you cut your head for Ghanaians and put it on a platter, people would complain, you know. I believe that the timing is right. I am frustrated.
Penny Kwancha for the Ghana Tourism Authority, I know ye Kwesi Ajamai. Now about Adom TV abaso pa say wo watch yatwe won madwene e de asi Independence Square tete ana tete apansam no enem penifo gu so ye ho adwuma dendendenden o mabo apro akohwe de adwuma no ekro e no de abaso body ma Adom TV a yetwaso
many aji papa because event center kese emanation no and then also symbolize independence, it symbolize a coin penny for coy, especially Oshe, the lone ranger soldier no general, they be a middle animation. Diana yen so yeah, dear boy, mine. Inti yet Minjano, it's a same Musa, and Tiana, penny for a core renovation, Kosoa, Air Kosovo, Independence Arch, and also Air Kosovo, Nationalism Park, Air Kosovo, Geese Park, no, Nina baby, no, na a cabo manaefe, yet a massive breed.
Was signed Eddie to just say.
Yene collective assembly and ye war could be from Humanitech or South Korea for or more the lights. Baba ye and I do Kenya Abia as a area now be who share pictures near that in a F and a collective so and now commercial so and national security or my opinion say young ye Nemaka Crow ho so far ye children's play area Kakao ho. Yeah, restaurant or snack bar or nationalism monument. I will call her with nationalism or more sika or more better or more and more day and boy my Cambomo as one country. Uchemo call her Geese Park and so same thing. You create a very big recreational center or Honoma and also be a crabbery. Nani say if we now the Kakwame Kuma Park now can't cry.
Esunafo North Mrashe Bedwani wonu anso osofo be de kire ya wo sports so Evans Opoku Bobie oyenya so ade de cement bag aduonum 50 bags akọ Technology Solution Center TVET school a ewo go so emikrom so wonu monye nansenso to wi akire ase wonu mo classrooms ni bi wonye no fancy Adom kase etwaso
school for no classroom base at 9 me and say code 9 be on betin esu there na almost structure almost ball pavilion e de kan structure wo hono so no then no dey bugu from kra apparently me mobilize nkra no mobilize omo resources e de pija pavilion no say si hobi nti me so me ba behwe ma problem no e ba school no be sra o mo e ba me hu say adwuma principal no ene mofra na ye no e so eni Timisumi Pinimachu Kaka Mensas, Amanyaska Mato Cement 50 bucks. I de bana structure or mabon. A dear year from said the bay or Montanum Futu Montana Tichim. Emfa Insuade.
Engineer Justice Dankwa and a principal with that school yano. wonu ene wogina akyekyefoɔ ne adesuafoɔ na na mu ɛgye cement bags yi ɛwo ɛmahye yi hɔnom wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ sane ama wɔnom nsa aka no ɛbɛboa wɔnom paa sɛ de bɛyi a wobɛtumi asi classrooms no na aboa ama adekyerɛ ne adesua ho nsɛm akɔnkan
nyame ncha de honorable ɛteyɛ no wana so na nkasa etu anamon eba bɛhwɛ sɛnea situation sitie na ɔse ɔkɔdachi no aba ampa ɛnɛ de ya kabia nhyem waba ama saa cement 50 bags yi minim sɛ ɛbɛkɔ akyiri paa ama enuru bia na wɔtwe sɛ na ɛsan sɛ ɛnya afi ne yɛkɔ akɔkɔpɛ wɔn a ɛba bɛyɛ yankasa yɛ wɔ business and construction department wɔ ha wɔn ɛba bɛyɛ
Adom TV Badwam kasia na uguso no na guidance and counseling unit ya no wo for municipal education directorate no one more the junior high school final year for no afa eye kwan a wo mo befa so na senior high school wo mo ebechusi na fe course na subject kra obeye wo ho no so ubetumi achusi a ebewi akire no enkofa hawo na mum ebeboa wo da chen ewo nkan komo Adom kasia etwaso
na wo for ni biba office anase bus school mu ho say you choose school bi so for instance you choose the we edema yeba ba koda na enya nti no mu blame ye educational workers no say ye na ya ma koda na enya ho entene sa eno so titru ka ho nti na ya organize this career guidance no so ye be treasure nkoda for them to understand well and kabe me wish crampo say parents so you betumi organize the ama so that when choosing the schools, when choosing their courses, no almost menya nimdie kakra ewo ho. Nti say o choose school bi ma wo ba na ye grade A school na akoda no so requirements endu ho a me pacho they should stop blaming the educational workers.
Oforikro Municipal Education Director Mrs. Dorothy Oparibedu edi efutu say mai.
Debia meka KNUS University ewo ye nim he ya nti omompre na omonkobi na ankoye te so omoti ha woti ayeduase wentumi anko woti kote wentumi anko na nkrofo fie chirechire mum na omoba nti omonso omompre na omonko university na ewo omohina anu ya no na ebeboa mo na wofo so eni nko nkwala no na omoma omonsuade
esuafo bia oba adwumadi ase ekire wani so se ekire Adom kase.
I learned that every course I do has its benefits. So I should follow my dreams, follow my heart, follow my capabilities. I mean, I'm sure me BEC in the crown. Met me who my hoarding to school.
Oh, hene ya wa watch him kwa one so ye ni fa hene watch me kwa traditional council da sebretu mampo for to so mienu de adesere na eto nananom ne obia nim won so a abne mu ye nyina ye nkamom na galamse no ye ntu ase na nakasa mu no ochire mu sase ye nyina ye soritia na ye ko a ebedi so nkunim ewo sade galamse ese ye niema Adom kase eto so
akrabe unu se dudo na mudade omo ho a omo twa enyeye ba omo dade omo abosha na omo akwakutu amuna kakra e omo nchen na sebe omo nya bibi kakra ama sebe omo ne omo yere ne omo ma edi me mpese me bodi wa ha ye ko a sebe omo pani empo asom se opese opo akono edi na mesra ne se kumano omubomodia no munta osabe manchi owa dwenkese a obetim da bua kro no ne kroma no ene meguno a omo kroma no
ekasa no akire na achemdwena sehene osabe ma osube afia aboaje editu jase de kroma kase be fato won ho so na wosia be for polyclinic pa se de be ya mebe hwe manfo ayarehwe ho nsem ewo bra wontu eska bebebi afi wono be science west library se de be ya ebeboa de kire ne adesua ho nsem ewo ekuru ni mu.
One of the most important things that we want to do here is hopefully the next 5 years we will construct our own polyclinic, it can cover most of the communities here. The second thing we would like to do is to have our own library/community center for us. The future is very bright, and so we thank God
Yamani boni ya wawo Upper East region ye Halidu Dasmani ene wabo pro she ye second cycle na fei entwaso suku tertiary no so ahwe ya ne yetete ye hunu say ye vote buying ekoso ewo schools ahodo no emu anyanya bia sa na tie na empo SLC de bienom ne ade sa na ekoso wo ho ena awuramu aba yamanyo sesemu ana na pro ya wo boy ensem a wote ye eni.
So you hear students saying that no toffee, no vote. You understand? Meaning if you don't give them the toffee, then they will not vote for you. That is even the senior high school level. Not talking of what? The tertiary level. So vote buying is something we cannot do away with it. No matter what. It has come to stay, as someone will say.
I can remember back in SS or senior high, I was following a friend who wanted a position, and we had to buy toffees for them before we could get their vote. And those who gave more took the highest vote. We were not able to give more, so we couldn't get the highest vote. So I think
level, if you want SP, GP, toilet prophet, at least you need to buy toffee or chewing gum, else they will not vote you. When I contested for union president back at Cali, at least, even if I do not spend, 100 cities. Why am I saying 100 cities? I should have not even spent anything. But you go to, because you say you want chairman or you want president. Oh, president. If somebody might come to even buy pure water and say, if you don't buy chairman, I've taken something, so pay for it. You understand? If you don't buy for the person, you want the tomb. So you have to definitely buy for the person. Okay. And then I had friends who definitely they were talking to people and they will tell you that if you don't buy me this, and for elections, people, your friends will even spend on your behalf. You might not even know. So for that one, I
no Adom TV Badwam kase na hana bema kwan na no pay. Wada wo media sie yeda se umre no wada je. Erade mfa nkomra somdwe mu. Ne mo be koso anso ene yatena kebe yende. Share live on Facebook/Adom TV extra or ye YouTube nso a wo search Adom TV too. Ye wo ho eto adwumade no so. Ye kwa ba ba sima mienu na ya hwede bonkrata no na online so de aka yen se brebe mu nso a ye no mbedi nkomo e wo phone so. Ye kwa ba Yada se yamo akwa ba bia mra Adom TV Badwam dwumade eso wo afei na wo de wafidi ato ha no ye chia wo yamo akwa ba ye wie news no sesie ne ensem de bi bremo enso oba adomonline.com sa wo mesi news na ni nyina nso ye de bremo wo ho je bre no watena se na wakenkan de du so no se de bonkrata no aba eka ene ye de bro na afei online de nso aka ye ho no ne de no so abro koso mo afidi no na ha yenche kura na dwumadi a hyehyɛ de mamo no edi fatase no eche mene Bismarck akwasinsia ena ejina ha se empino anya mprebiem ti be me na no peme mu ache se bia boko so you okay
oh nyame adum ade pachi ya boje de mafu senate kamada bojo de nas na de emmanuel enim sa ade achi nku ade ebeyi
ayeye wi
eni da so ho edi mighty ameda ofro to correct yesterday's wrong. Na watari nso ne mumu die.
Saneti. Ese de bia oye bibia kwasinsia beka ho asem.
Tina make ho asem.
Sa, nti enye news ma me. Say na man kan income no you okay. Ngwa.
No because boys na kasa.
Na say man kan income so you
boys no.
Omo kasa say ada na man kan.
Yes, because omo say oh flip flop.
Debi. Say last week another be ya. Enra. Na ka dem say minya aka wo
wo 2038 ne de enko ho.
Do we basta. Nye incoming. Obaba be nim date no pot. Me no so a. Ebeti. Eziti.
Be enso to.
Say no ye ka say so mo je chi. Say me dwe mo wa me
so to. Mo hwe ho ye pa. Eni sa se kakra bi ebegu bi ha so na enso yiri na ba.
On say akwan no nye. Nti ene ye kwan ni nti no. Baby ye kwan bia de nsuo no divert na akwa kofa baby eno video bi em say labadi ho side video bi a me hu na kasofo na omo frɛ and almost frɛ because you be a drink kasoa na me drink say and who had time is when a toy and a sa 4 corner
a hona traffic no start to pile up
peak
yes
want to me drink say e bi mo kra de senso to akwasi me ntwa no omo eka ho like so ofia ompie it me drink de owo krom no so no obedru a em say be 1 am 2
Tuesday na Monday na to den pa no
Mr. Monday is so toy yeah
and I thought you could do 2:30
yeah kasoa
2:30 am
ano den kwasi e beto no so no ehu e be phone na wada ro ma ye fa papers ne ma won
yen hwe daily guide about catas what aba na anaposi free SHS brings gender equality Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia and I can say him give more support to media FEMA or cell operators AMC new arrest in Kasua soldier killing corruption more prone in customary land administration Northern Chiefs hail Baumia daily guide and no daily graphic be accurate information dissemination ambassadors Chief of Staff charges African media Zebula constituency parliamentary race heat up in their constituency watch your Ghana my Ghana innovate to boost cocoa consumption chocolate producer advocates daily graphic and so no the inquisitor the Bokata and so any food to senior high schools suppliers unhappy with GCX okay Ghana Commodity Exchange government had destroyed small scale mining sector John Dramani Mahama police case reconsider decision to change new panel group to Supreme Court Samia Oku NPP ahead of NDC in objective polls Otumfuo at 25 Napo extols preservation of vintage Rolls Royce the inquisitor and so enonom daily analyst those who attempt to silence the press must be held accountable Fatima to Abubakar charges minister designated for information Third Africa Media Convention use your platforms to educate public on climate change Chief of Staff charges media Third, GJ President calls for protection of journalists at December 7th approaches. Murdered soldier, family invokes cases on suspected killers in court. Curtailing power to neighboring countries will be unpatriotic. Kwabena Donko, daily analyst, Enonom. The Ghanaian publisher, Frema applauds media role in Ghana's development. Northern Chiefs salute Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia. Government pledges support for SMEs. NPA rolls out strategies to stabilize gas prices. The Ghanaian publisher and so the custodian. We trust you, Northern Chief Baumia. Frema advocates more support for media. Bishop Taki Yaboy donates medical equipment to Kolebu. NPA moves to stabilize price of gas. The custodian, NMD area, the worker term here. The new finder. Media's role vital. Needs enhanced support of all. Chief of Staff. Parliament petition to probe Yoko's conduct in Sisladapa saga. Northern Regional House of Chiefs salutes Baumia for development in the region. Government pledges support for SMEs. The new finder. I don't know if you
Enti the bonkrata no na yen share online adomonline.com on so sembia ba na scientists may have solved mystery behind Egypt's pyramids. Enti any oba adomonline.com e wo ho entertainment so Kwame Eugene ne papa na ye enso beba family so ho adwu won ye pa won ba won de share efiedu amienu a won ehu no na just wawuda ye Kole Lagoon no emu ye edwada no nsu no toye na ya rehosam so e ha entertainment kro ye mu so e na sa kwode so ye se the punchlines bi aba ma shatawale e wo ne nyom fofora onso e de abai na entertainment so Junior Pope ye se ne cousin so unim Junior Pope Nigerian actor na ono so omukotwa siniwie wo ba nsuo omo ekodo no se eto nsuo mu ono so aka de onim de efa ne brother no so eho tubadomonline.com and sembebre ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛde ɛbrɛmo ɛna akwasi ma kwan a yɛmie ahoma no tum ɛno nsuo na ɛtɔɔyɛ no sɛn na wo area no mu no ɛteɛ ne titiw sɛ nsuo tɔɔ wɔ hɔ nko ade a ɛte sɛi 0302211701 702 703 704 0302211701 702 703 704 Biento wonka na yɛnhwɛ situational reports ɛwɔ mpɔtamo baabi ensuo no to ho nko ade baabi awo bia na wadaro ma yɛntio yɛde yɛgyina ha de kasoa na yɛdwen wo ho
anɔpɛ mo press bɔkɔkɔ
aha mo sɛ metio
bɔkɔkɔ anɔpɛ yes
ɛsɛ yɛntio yɛntia no ase na nkɔfo agi akyinye sɛ ɔmo ka sɛ ɛbɛtɔ ɛyɛ 11 na antɔ hwɛ
we said enu aso forecast na yɛm sɛ ne different from normal ni nyina o say enu ade no ye specific time time ranges say be from 9:30 to 1:30 e be from 11 okay
me don't follow pay mo ache mo akwa Badwam TV Badwam so abode
mi ta so ma ti o mi ba
e jo so papa
le jo so pe ta abode ni mi se le ni ti mo yo bi aso ye na mi adum e si to nkoko ni pa na se je ya ni pati won sitem MPG anasa pe no sem pete de na ni pe informa ma sen também si se ko ni si o tole su ka su pia ko pedi obontia e che kambu me sa wa chabo so o bien ti ka ho se e pa ta te no kana no ni no di ru na
oh kafra but wo chere se de nsuo no to ye no de aye ewo ormo eho Francis nso so Frank anope ye mo ache mo akwa Badwam TV Badwam so
ya na madam Badwam so
ya da se papa madam ma ye hwede ye course wo ho nsuo no to ya
no nsuo no to papa
e wo he a
mi kasasi asante atem jaso village bi wo kura bi asipa da tem ya metare mo
era se
ye pro mam na so do na frem mo gabi
ya mi shira
metafia mo temia metafia mo programme bibia me fait pas je me damase mo boa ye
yes era se
ndi demase izolo so to apa na ye kwan so na enye asati atem mam na so ye wo kra bia se ye ufi e ko bi e ro bogu ufi ho no ba ye ho a ye pro mam na so e kwa se pa ye brepa so ba be to e timi na ti so mu sa azana ya ko bogu kru no ma ole ye market enye ne omuba bia na o ma be ye kates bi mo ne ma bi tapi o ma jao
da se ba pa ye se ja penifo beti emraso bedwani o ho betu ho na mo na afi watimi aboa ya da se koso na hwe Adom TV oni abusua no ya da se papa emo so so ahoma no so emo sa no pa ye mo ache mo akwa Badwam TV Badwam so
Mogiso ma mi sister fia
na mo ti chen yankopon adom ye ho ye papa na wada ma hina ofre ye mfi
ni fref ni abin kokko ni abin
yo acha yenti o
yo ni shona penra ba ko na dem fi mama so to manche no ano din yi e ba sa no ye ma mi no ne papa ni mo so mo ba makata na o mo face problem serious e ti ye be sere na contractors no mo be je na se o be tutu mo nyama yi a mo hwe ye kwa na ma
yo ya da se papa so free ono bo si edun so wa homa no so ono bo no pe ye mo ache
me ya me je mo so
ya da se
je se mo so mo ye
yankopon adom na Western North ho boko
oh I had da boko na about Western North na idun so to bre si ha mini afia wa to mo se kuafo na na ehuna mane ena so ne to yi pa mpagugu ama de ache o he se de kwa de ne mpatama na badia evu kaye ufi to ya sanso to ma o badia ne district eko ekroli amrewa na o be hwe omokwan na was ekwan fa forest mu it me po I was so the you to the arrest obi ene ba ene eye market bi e wo badia ni ka beti esane aba betrako kwa we aban we aba ho be 3 times abi ni say dia ma contract am so the pemne the thing was in dia na from the should be kwai to a shame. Midwest contractor na ye kwan ogui. Na anyway here, there 2 kilometers BBA. The way I see it to Tuno. If you put a guys, a being catcher say, kwan we, or my and chair. I said, be 50 years ago.
Some one we have see how being so. Yeah, that's it. The GDA said, the year came in 40 or more here, on between 1 or more. He said, it's so topani who are quiet. Oh, my men, the example will trade. The say young foot to coin. Na SIA send you. Nasa what time ya, and a young concommon so cast Papa Bay, and a sa quine on, ultimate a challenge. Pa, over France also, with a phone pay. Yam watching Obapa, yam watching Vero.
Me morning, no. Me just so me just say Rabba Fefe.
Yes.
But so, and then so to so many ha. And whom from more boy. And I'm away a light off. This is a simple. I the suma and adachi. Make a simple on bed. Still a light in them bed. Soon top papa. Yes, I wanted them walk 1 year, man. Then soon tap your potholes. One won't swim. We only need them for me. Cats now won't swim. We are,
sir. Yamisha Oba, I say so far. Of course, I ain't none die in your bar. Your bar very that's it. Papa, for France also. But I follow Perry and Kayam watching more Badwam TV bedroom so.
Amen.
That's it. Now, Bemen, I hear now free fee.
If free, Achim Apetia.
Apetia, Chimaquetia, Patrientia.
The man should to again and no day. I may say, DC, any MP. Say, I could do market on in Suna, I have a town and no thing. And a DC so ya serene pa ni dimo anso no be free akote kruma obedu ai ni district assembly hono insure takwam ho aye road ai services in chen hono na fie hon so a ofako adweso hono e ho se fi se obai 7 years ni echire ni e se su na da so takwa bisinde e pa choni dimo onye hu bibi mai Etiye kwano so sa insuta ta so sa eni ba be ko ho be ba ni bibi afia bibi so de hu nyina sese ntie sere na ni diem ni meni ya on hwe ma nyeta akwiti a mo forget ya bato
yeah that's it papa me say be fe last caller me dofo arope wuti en kan ye mo ache mo akwaba do Badwam TV bedroom
me jesu abu
yeah that's it na be me na hina ofre mfia no pe
kazifi atade be kwai
asante be kwai mo pato yentio
le me kasi be kwai bi enam onabu Joseph Otewusu ne kwampa kwai ni problem aka mantie nti to yeyi ka kobe mienu bi kwani yaw ene asansie kanse kwan ani kwa na aka ye ma se waje be 80%. Na tata kwana aka nkwana ese oya mefiwo na ka mebunso adwuma ese obaye ejimi de me bo ona bo US abaso se enfie edunsia obedi ye no in fact obodma di pa bodma di pa anji yesre wo ma aba ono oto nko biem yesi wo ma yeyi hufo raf boku wadi sen wona yeyi hufo di sia igbo se ono management madun enche die ewe yo was be ye no na mebu a wo be kwai enye gban yansu enye biye na ma so modwom ejidwama yansu ma ta ne bibidi so enye minsu enye ya admiti ma ya admiti bia ma ya admiti bia me so ko ha de bia mampo ne be chapa ona bu income MP ta ko ko mampo papa mampo
that's pa ya misra ye woni pa bebra wo mo hwe yanka ye bie phone lines nko mepe sanko mo be fa wo mantumi e bi nso wo akire na nso mre na so mo fa nche ye ni somo dwada de ko si fia de bia mutie ye ehwe ye nwumadi ahodo ya da mo ase papa kwasi
afia ye konna ye be sere contractors na omo ye kwan I think say o se ye sha ase ma warning signs no endorse o kwan so especially insurance say total because the tone sha ase say yira unhu ba bi etu amena woni ba won na usimtwam afi okwanko oba emma ena hyenkafo no so nsu ne to na yenya abotre se be papa mu a yempake because ene constructions be bre e koso tinama ensu yiri bebre no Ekoso sana yankofo esen bi anso anto
asem na waka no especially wo a wonim baabi a
yeah
wo ko for the first time in Suasato ye careful wona wonim driving said there ye ompesua so wo ko obi die wonim ho ebi ana poto kitu bi da said kwasi aka no ye nyina ye mo aboa ye ho na asanso de enso nya adwuma markings na pepa markings na wo white ni nyina pepa o du hu dis obi bo aben wo say so ko di obi what you say tie no so mpanifo madaro ma munyama ye ti senkane ano kra na nya adwuma okwan no so a wo markings de ere de e say de ekoba nso tutoi ye sremo ni die mu ade mbo ye bia me nyina de aboa ye ho no mo me enye ye kona agudie mu nsam erekese rubu adi de ba na fei week yi mu nkomo nyina ye halitosis enumonka yemfa nwie ne fie na fei ahosepa ba wakwam komo bi hyekire ono abo betena se na fei nkomo a aka wo mpensempensemu ni asemidi kan nso o hwede
ene ejina mu ene ye hwe nso to ye
yo no amo ya de kidnam ka mbasa to aso esa muto aso nkomo se nka de wo week da be ene sanke ne to aso na komu na batenye hwe kakra na mde amaye na ye okay nti ye kɔ na fei dwumadie no ato aso
I had that results of Las Palmas ne Betis game no 2-2 so that about Valencia by a goal to nil. La Liga hono this weekend matches are Barcelona in yaka 3 games and La Liga bana Real Madrid League na dada now okopimo Deportivo Alaves and here tough in Athletic Club Bilbao ne Sevilla Atletico de Madrid and Osasuna Barcelona ne Rayo Vallecano Real Betis and Real Sociedad Cadiz ne UD Las Palmas Mallorca ne Almeria, Granada ne Celta de Vigo, Valencia ne Girona, Villarreal ne Real Madrid no ne matches are this weekend now. Okopiemo England e action in England, near England so action no AC at here. And in England, the biggest games West Ham United up against Manchester City. Weekend there so Wabredengo. Now, as Arsenal share Everton. Season this weekend. I say Arsenal share Everton. Now hope I say Manchester City in West Ham game no. City enya results papa o. And no name paibo Arsenal fan be able. Ederson on your goalkeeper Manchester City we pra. Inti Ortega na bedem. But there's Brentford and Newcastle, Brighton and Manchester United, Burnley, Northern Forest, Burnley ajegon omone buy one san call Vincent Kompany the omoko. Chelsea and Bournemouth, Crystal Palace, Aston Villa, Liverpool, any Wolves, now facing Luton Town, and Fulham abo. Now Manchester City and West Ham, Sheffield United, and Spurs. Nina 3 p.m. and Basel and a match imun semini actually seminar and watching it tenase or Sports Arena so anopa. Yede ebebra shining son South China Sports Arena be chassis non tobacco. Esign aglo a teacher yen chassis 10:30. The chassis 11. But you better games ni muye ama watiasi Sports Arena that now don't miss it since be a very very interesting way the matches be baso e wo EP onimo na me kan sana on the 1st of June nyina ye share wo Aviation Social Center. Then of course T Havana our Tema Community 9 shower Tade Brass and PFM Champions League Fun Day na yakwagie nia ma because Champions League season no na tiring pa say that ye kaka kon ma enra anyumre na countries hold on one more enemy on scores ye dey ball the Euros and Conte is back or the French national team squad anymore Okopimo Germany Toni Kroos is also back ojinamu den so countries dey name on scores ni na be ko mo chana our Sports Arena so and no asaba no but Okopimo or the Black Starlets of Ghana manti nimro Enfie Dunson. On my first game, I'm going to Côte d'Ivoire, but I'm going to Timo back on now. The second game, I'll be against Benin. Ochana, I know some kids work now. Brandamum, and a boy a second game. Shannon so South and our coach at the day. Like Kingston, or the man said, "Oh, yeah, recovery and Rami recovery training." And I know some kids touch lie, and then some to just say, "Hope he said Ghana been a better performance against Benin on Tuesday."
To celebrate, yes, it's really for us. We're taking it a game at a time, and it's true that since 2017 we've not enjoyed like what we are good at. You know, previously our youth teams are very, very good. You know, so it's something that Ghanaians are craving for. You know, so I will always thank the FA for believing in me, for calling me to come down from Denmark to come and take this team. You know, from the first day that they called me, it was the first day I came down to Ghana. My aim is to change the narrative, meaning qualifying the team. Since 2017, we need to qualify the team. So myself and the FA, we came together, and then plus my technical team, we had a very solid game plan in terms of how to recruit players. Previously, scouts will go and then bring players down to Pram and all that. We believe we have to go to the kids, not the kids traveling all the way all over Ghana to come to Pram, and then they go back to their regions. We took it upon ourselves, went to 10 regions, and then picked players that we believe can help the team. So for me, I think we started the journey early, and then also thanks to KGL, they helped us. When I got to the country, I was lucky they were having a tournament, and trust me, this group of players that we have now, about 8-9 KGL youth players are in there. So for me, the journey started very early, and I really appreciate that the FA was very supportive. And today, for me, the education that we've given these boys and where we are now, I think all we have to do is to motivate them and keep developing them.
Like Kingston, yes, can I sober now? What in summer to just our head coach and the Magana under 17 team. Now the Ghanaian Premier League at also match day 30 this weekend. That's a vocal Diana Asande Koroko, Echo Brecum, young wrestling officials near Nations Accra Lions, a Baston or Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex 3 p.m. na some match now. But now Brecum Chelsea Asante Kotoko Basso Golden City Park and the no yeah 3 p.m. Legon Cities. And a Great Olympics game no so yochna our Theatre of Dreams. Now has a folk and the Adriana Stars be bokwa see that Crash Sports Stadium na sa match na beba so nana amwa Kramansa Park e hona so chairman and Gold Stars e Bobby Chem United and Karela and so the Prince na Fusuji Abo Park Mediema ne Real Tamale United e Bo Akon Park na Samates ne bofo e de Aboni Dream Selves in the Heart of Lions e bebo so e hona mo no matches Basel or the Ghanaian Premier League match day 30. And what summarizing the Shadow Somame, Mesaka on the 1st of June in Asia, or Tiavana, Tema Community 9, and Honey the Champions League final. You know, the giant screen Kakraka Barry, Bully, PPJ, Bambala Pa, AC Ona Yashe, the Champions League final. But Yabashasiano Paji, and Ya, was young, I get near man, Sana, 7 p.m. Yeah, the game on Ankasa Ashisaso, the Kashan Sosa. And so my Aviation Social Center and also the Hits FM Rep Jersey. Eti yina yensha o ba sha Jersey bra en shakaba ma o shakaba e be ha dwen pa na no Wednesday your birthday the big tiger na your best day Mr. Isaac Amwako the great, yes, Pastor Isaac Amwako the great, your Parliament Chapel International Wednesday na your birthday nyame sha mame non ton kwenem na bibia de wakoma so bia nyame enyema mama so nyeden favor pa ena yes ediama won sanye kese Bernard Padibotwe so say yemfa birthday man ne get yes Kate Aningra wow Aningra Bernard Padibotwe me producer some fama when manya onko fie enti Kate happy birthday going out to you. Nyame sha on ton kwana. Men ran so to yi enwa hu ba na de eden a ne obehia na modi birthday na bibia ti makoye Kate. God bless you. Nyame sha on ton kwana mpa. Ya na waka de nankasa ka kejiwa no Erica sie rupori na ye de apomudi won sambeto aso na de aka eso aba. Ko so hebedwem.
Medase na so memo akwa Badwam TV Badwam health tips eso ene your first time na ochi mu nkomo no na halitosis ye dia bepemene nti ene eboni nyina atofade among the treatment ene kwan ya nyina befa so abo yesen eho eban yanum titiru ebebo ho ban free kankan enum nkan de ana no odi bi de pa se awe fish anyenyenyan enye fe oba fe na sa na enso no ho ha twen ba me ye sure say ene ye bete se bi wo so a ma ne nye aniwo mfa nhye dem ti de o ka no se ne o kwa so ye ho a oba no ahwo kama titina nenso yedase emu akwaba tiene ye treatment.
Okay, medase treatment of halitosis say nya halitosis obi kwa the general clinic I refer back to the dentist because omunim say ye ho na yare ni nyina start nti me straight for say yaka twice in a year pay. Okay. Twice in a year. So dentistry is not expensive, but neglect is. Just bra dental clinic na yen share. So wo ho so na hu say when ya halitosis ana enum nka me de me number to e bia obe ferry frame we will discuss it. And I said dental clinic bia ebe when nyame adom most of the government hospitals no e bi aba ho work ko ho ka say problem say na me wo ye be boa ye wo treatment a ye be ye say ye de no na say still na enkoya ye be refer to the appropriate place de to so mienu pacho ye si twitwie no enyumre de especially na ye tang no sesia no nyame adominim de nsisi ye fre bibi tang rake okoto brush na obisa say opetang rake na oba dental clinic ye be mouth tang rake ni bi say obi o ha because of the brush ni ko ni throat no en yen ka say ko inside ko ni baby but at least baby I won't say borderline ni one na white no you should brush it but to be also the brush ni ko ha orechi nti tang rake wo ho out choosing here you use the tang rake to rake away all the food debris na e wo we num no and na me flossing Ghana for enim said dental floss no we did we na de aneka we numa and na you use me patcho dey bi dental floss no because a kwan kakra CBA on say territory so the kwan na de demo no brush ni ntimi enko ho enu nti na broni aye floss say did we na dey yesimu yemfa enhihye yesimu yemfa yi safu debris no nti anwumre no say o ba bi choose am because and the whole day no nyema odi eni nyina da so we num now the dental floss no ayi ni nyina then wa brush it obey no ansa no wa brush obey so no wa brush so the be ade yi ni nyina no the brush ne be so
dental floss ne ye ade white bi a asa homa bi semre bwa asa wetimi kura ne thing be bia kwa ya homa ne yemfa ni yo enye to ho na ye sharp ya na ye pe no e bi o nam na ko hye osim na pese udi ye no ba wo ka we ne na edua de ne de yes
macho de bi yen de yen recommend dua no because edua no we say ewowo ogams ni na make holes ewo ogams ni yes na emagam no eye weak in term emagam no in term nti yen de yen recommend edua de no the floss na ye recommend say obi en use floss no kra enye ni nyina na was take bi o kra ye te sa ahoma o try e be sure say the obeti no you wrap it around your hand now the air floss no e ba kakra
okay ya wi my number na kakra na obi ehia mo service a waba
mpacho Perfect Smile Dental Clinic and a foundation. Your number is 0243 728542 0243 728542.
That's and then so by oje so I mean sure e brace me be sa ba hobby was educate e that's papa enti Augustina Mensa Afram our year dental therapist and I would say you know edi enkomo na otwi mu nyina waboye mpa momienti afutu ni enhye no so ebeboaye Mr. Yankoyem point ho sisi 0244867068 na yanko cheke prostate no mema no ema no so se ye pa wo padia ye mumura ho na daroma na ode ebewura mu wo dental clinica ene ya besua di dasenne ana na otwe besimu senkwa hoden wo ho a ebesehia That's a more call baby Adom TV Badwam Jumadi eso yada se papa mrani adaje agudi mu America said wodi de akogu ama health tips and so abam gidi ese na wasua de na wotwe mu wasua de afa halitosis ana se numu enka a wahunu se bibi se isi a ubetu ho anamo yada se de edu so no so ho hia ene ye fiada time herbal center for aba wonu nupa wa adwama so ye ne wo modi ho enkomo beme na no peye mu ache na bia bokode
na bambo na
de nyame ase ehu so yi time herbal mixture esi ho yentie de edure ye woni peduo
de di kan ma menda wase wa kwanya sronko a ode ama me ne wahwefo enyina na me de enchia sronko e de afri ye na so ye time herbal so ye e de abro bibiara o hwe Adom TV Badwam sabre me pa chopi time herbal se de onim no se eduru efiada na se ye ba Badwam na ne ye no ba betwetwe nkomo afo apomde ho me se apomde no e yade ho ehia enintina nananam ahemfo ahemia enya tumi no omuso afram so omusaya omusi omusai eyade eno eche se ma wapomde ho hia obi na ka na asem say ayadesa bokitima ana say apomdine atere ba ko ho ye chan ayadesa bokitima eni nti ema yade ma mefa nipadua no nomumbu nka mfa nipadua no so say o hweme na yadewa etete yadewa edi wonya na wo de akina tonu ahodo nyina bi anom na unhu yade no pomasibra membie wa no da enka say o yade ni ni aduro na emom ka say unhia o yade no aduro eni nti mesra wa da say wo befa wo twiredua na befa wo tetefon no ana wo befa jebri eye chako na wo betre doctor number no na afi one na atwetwe nkomo afo apomde ho wa kire no anase wa che kwan ado apomdo ni padua befa so abo ma niam nyina bekoye e de amount doctor number na wo befra no e 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 0244 41 76 69 Time Herbal Center yenroni eyemienu time herbal mixture for malaria fever time HH herbal mixture anasa ne capsules for your general well-being na time HH herbal mixture na ne capsules no boost immune system no na ma enkwamo na nya hoden na bema odwonso a oto ya o odwonso odwonso na moja efrimu ba odwonso na insufita edi odwonso na echi insufita ntimichi obema no potalo boxer sauce na why aye de amount bema ensawati atise wo obema ho obema no wo ho no ma ina hia na ka koshem anakwasem se wunya time HH herbal mixture na ne capsules a ono num bia beboa ama sa o ha we nyina afru taduanum amoni dia wi opeyo oba ensuo bi eguguguo ensuo ne ebate se awo ensuo ho no ma afede na change color be brownish color deep green bi sa no na ede pampan abetra wa himfie ho ubu won sampo a utumu se pampan ewo onsa buonum afi 2 weeks bia o de o menstruate ensanwa bi atiate se ewo ho amasa bi otafracha wase kwan ebie ayekese unya time HH herbal mixture anane capsules a anakwasem se menu aba ebesiesie ama waye obesima na eyisa o ha wenya afru akwam ama onigye awie opeyo ene edura ye ba bedi ho enkomo eye tetebotan team time herbal mixture Time herbal mixture or malaria fever biala adani ziba ewo ni pedianum no uziba ne ebetu akọ anokwasem se uziba ne ebetu akọ na ziba ne afru akwam ama wonso atimi enya wapomden no anya wani gie dia na eye TIME time malaria fever bia enkadem me pacho pi o hweme na se malaria fever na etetewo aboantontoma yehuna no pa awia anwumre ne yahuja na amane kọ no ono ne duru anadwo de so mo odane boja bekaye ede plasmodium parasite mo oba ni paduam na plasmodium parasite mo ya meka wasen se ba oni paduam a edu yina ni atorenchen bebre ana ede ebre ni padua no emase bia ona kora esei okoto kete so a na umunyam kobonkum na ukonifa na utwa agado na ona ho ayeden ede amount anakwasem se unya time herbal mixture na ono noma ebeboa na eyisa o ha wenya fru akwam ama watima akoto kete so etimi ada don hole pole enwotwe 8 solid good hours aboa mani padua na etimi anya na pomuden yenwa yenim se Michael Essien and Cristiano Ronaldo aka se de mom ye successful ewo mu football mu nyina eye omutimi eda na se obetimi aye successful ewo wadwuma awuyemu obetimi aye successful ewo business no wana motuo ma ewo se dru na jude soma utimi eda emani paduan enya na homegye eno ekiri no uye obi o hweme ankwasem se aduane eto techramaso a etese de de anua ede afra gare ne de agu techramaso onti aduane ne ede aduane to yema na oyem edwaw oyem ewon na oyem esamfro sabi otafra che na umpu aduane no mpo ede eba abontene amani paduan aye ha unya time herbal mixture na ononoma ebesiisi oni paduan no amwatimi adidi na watimi anum nsu atimi akoto kete so atimi ada aboa amwatimi adwonso eyi yade biala ahinta ewo ni paduam afiri wakwam aboa mani emanyina atimi akoye ed amount hye no so se ni paduan yefu wo eye aduane ene nsuo ene nkwa na boa mani paduan etimi dijuma esafata se etimi edie ene ntimi ennom akoho emfa nko ni paduan se onnom akoho aboa amwatimi adidi ebeduru mrebi na eduoye ne ni atorenchen foforo na abra osa no emma osa no ho nkoto chema enkonkofa oye ne ni atorenchem emre ni paduan no time herbal mixture ene edura midi ho adanse ede echiro eno echiro me pacho pi wa o hwem ya won so de na se wuti edwaw severe headache o ti se wuti dwaw se gaga na woni so nyina echi no obo on ma e kama se ne ti edwa ne sa na obo se osini trasia na asase na ogyan so na se asase ne etwa no ho opagya ne ti ehwe soro so obo se wiem nyina ayeku su se de de na kohye dan a kanea ene ehyen na se ehyen bia eni ho no ma obehunu ade no mepacho opia ma obo so ye adwuma kakra bi so na ote so na koma no ebo ne pali eba ne sa obo se drinks a cafe ashim emma ana odikoni ni peduem se ebeboa no na afe betimi am Kenya na amwatimi atwa na dwumadi a odie so anokwasem se cafe no edoso ewo ni peduem bebrebe a eno nso de oye nani atorenchem ebre osa no me se osa no ho ehia se yi akoma no efiri ho no ma osa no mom so na ekura ni pedua no eni ntime mfa niema ehu ehia enko ni pedua no enko nkodi osa no enya unya time heba mesha na ono no ma ebeboa eyisa o ha wenya efro akwam bomodi bia ne fo ni chemo drugstore herbal shop na wo mpatem ho ni nyina mini adofo okwa menka se opedro bia keke na mom o se opeti time herbal mixture udie udru na owrafia fa wonsa ekire baabi a mepacho pia ya de watch na ebo no na ka che nipa nsa ope edro na efre ne se time no na se oyi bi ma wo na se wanya akwadro na okono num edro na ya de biala ahinta ewo ni pedie no sa ya do wanya ebefiri wa kwam doctor number no 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 0244 41 76 69 eno actually minua o hwe me ma me mepacho pi wodi adanse se ejana wugina so a oye adwuma no ejana no eden awiana no eden obo no mabonso obegina eja we so be ye adwuma nyina be wie obonse otoe na aduana no sanso di ba begina wia so na aton afi ensuo kura eto na ensuo sanso ebo no eni ntidan da nya bonse ni padua no aye ha ni padua no aye buhu ogine hu bia enje okoto keteso se ne honam etwetwe no na aposo eye ne ya ni kotodwe ade chia ne sisi ade chia na bakon ade chia na jonku ogine hu bia enyeye eba ne sa bonso timi koda ho me etwetwe no ne massage no so still otesa oyaw no ewo ni paduam anokwasem se bra ononom time heba mesha no ebeboa na ayisa ho wenya efuru ho yenuanom akapenterfo yenuanom masonfo yenuanom kayayefo wala tu wala sadwuma mo yenyina me kanfo time heba mesha ene de amawo obu ho no ma ye kan so won de ompa bibiduro esan se abibiduro ho enyono anokwasem se time heba mesha ho no ye de obo ade ni bra hama enu tan eni enuane hini na de aye nanso aduro enyanyono anokwasem se wunya gidie na otobi na ubie so se de mabie me aduro yisu na se utwa no atremi enu anopa awia anwumre na onoma ubon se wanom aduro na aduro na nkasa be koni padua no enyanyono na aduro na tima yedai aye ni padua no ho adwuma aboa maniema nyina tima yedai akoye ede amount eno echi no mepacho pi wabofra na enya kwanya obawura teacher training nursing training technical university mepacho menye wabofra na ayipam so wompese textbooks are auto admission wakotua eno echi school fees ni nyina ebe ya wokade a di kan ehwehwe wabofra no good health na anokwasan sese wabofra no ewo ni good health a ana otima kosua de akwakonya good education ama wo ba tan no wo awofo no wonso wantimi antu sika angu na se unya time heba meshade mo wabofra no okokoduru school no no ma apomudin mapa ebe ye ne dia na watima tena school demo esua de oba ubu nsa mojasofi ni entimi my bana nu nansa na etwa me kanfo time heba meshade amount ebra me de ma no ensie no oya obiala ubu nsa onamu no unya bi na ono ma ebeboa na ayisa oha wenya efru akwam fo ni chemu okanshi drug lane minyi otwen enya doa onsa beka bi all the herbal shops na ho no eno echi no mepacho pilata bi okoshi ho no manso zongo junction ho lawyer herbal ho kaneshi tribe of judah ho kaswa tribe of judah DM pharmacy enso kaswa afegana fana ba bi biala drugstore herbal shop biala ewo ontoklumo no oduani echirema onsa ebeka bi medan herfo any other phone nyina asesa mo job brand adaje ehwe me na me koi doctor number na me sorry 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 meda obibiara ase
yes yedase papa panti time heba center na yete won mo kan ko ne ko pewde nanom na de wobobo so no bebia wotosini wo hobia no etimi so aboa wo yie papa ma Mefasida Emma Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa won fie ene ho o perfume papa atodia Yanko Franco Trading Enterprise na yanko pebie ewo ho. Say ye Nokia, Samsung iPhones, smart TVs. Ni nyina no Franco Trading Enterprise ewo bi. Ye wo tabletop fridges and so Franco air conditioning also ewo ho na fe CCTV cameras no so ewo ho ni nyina wo pebie a wo Franco Trading Enterprise a wo benya bi. Mr. Ocean so say wo to bibia so wo Franco a wo 40% discount so ewo ho. Ne momade ehia mefisi ai pa ne se enkopike Franco ne number bia wo internet ne so ne number na mede ema wo no 0246 422338 0246 422338 and 0555 939311 0555 939311 now on a Franco Trading Enterprise eni enkomo Mami nkomra na yeba ye wonkomo ba konso ewo ho a ye betwa so say ye mo akwa ba bi Adom TV Badwam dwumadie so wa waje bresha ye da se papa edru fia da se ye de apo sa ma obumfu we ko na we aba bia na ne ye ewo nipadua ni mo fi se ye wura weekend yi mu de obedidi anom anya careful be wi akire bedu dwara na ada hotim but I say dwara ba with more vim ti se be ye na dwada nyambe kan ye ho no asori ahoden muli na wa be ye wadwumanti elu a yebedi hu nkomo bia no watie ne ye ekro na atu ti amount mention na mafo secret ibia BC 56 kelmed 4 aje won madwa die na se ba bia wu ade ama oba pa de na dwa ade ne di nkomo oba pa no pa mu ache
ya na ma
ho aye fe dodo asa na ntu a woti su ni wow ho aye fe papa poda roma ade achi ne fia da dru se ya ye hia mu ane ani age se nuo no wo ho ene me ma je me BC 56 ti ye de kwa ye adwuma ne de ho adanse no so aboda ma ye hwe nu a e wa adwuma so ne ne de hin na aka ho asem
yo meda atiefo ase na mada wo so ase me de nchia Africa Made Pharmaceuticals Limited ebre atiefo ne ahwefo nyina no pe endro no ye de fi India manmu na ba o manmu ha no eye ahabanma ene ye de ye natural side effect bi ani ebi na esi hoyi ye wo BC 56 cream eye ekredro ene ewo pine leaf tablet ene ne ointment ye de ye pals broni beka say hemorrhage ana say pals na koko trikasa mu koko ena ye wo Molly's baby massage oil ye de massage nkwada ye de wasa nkwala ena ye wo Iola's grape water eno say ye nkwala dura ye de ma omonom omo ye fu ayekutu from agina mu ne ade etew na afiri hoko na ye begina so ewo pine leaf ne tablet ne ointment and a BC 56 cream eye ekredro sa
pine leaf ne BC 56 the ever the enchase
e bia ye
tini enko BC
BC say na tie aban man ye de ye side effect bi enim efi India man mama yam pene kelmed na wa ya ade say yes ekura ekro ye ade a ehu ekro ekum enti say ye nchere ho no mepese me de ye numbers betudwa wa wo hwe na unua bi ekro atu no anase relative pebi koma no ye numbers no eye 055 266 7712 059 855 3075 yeah
ani o screen ase kwa mada o ma nene nkomo aye die wo bibi kire wadwen wasemi yanka ofre o mo mbejo so obo yentio
yeah BC 56 na ye ka ho asem ni eni eye ekredro wanwaso a asem bi eni ho nye hia ne se okopa bi to a ekro no ba bi eda biara no faye na ebetenete ekro ye kasa ekro ye okro ahoro mienu ye wo open wound ene ye wo close wound sene abroni ebeka no no enti open no ho asem ene ye beka no
ye ekro dani no
sa ekro no ebi ye den abrasion se bibi etwitwi ani na etwitwi burns bibi ashow second ye twaw mode etu ana say why your operation surgical wounds na ekuku dam no ena ye chronic wounds ana say slow healing wounds ekura adokoro wache obi frɛ me na no se kuro no ye ne 1990 1990 na meme wo he sa enti BC and okopeye ema ene BC aka na asema no wedi na asema no okay diabetic wounds asichire yare ebia na wonan na adondon ene paye a ayekru kona kope BC 56 ekru biara a eda woni padua na kwa ba biara no ka mi da hu ye mobo wabu ye mi akwa kofa BC 56 abre kona kope bi sani ekru ni tie bia no na BC na adwuma no sani ye yi ni se wo di BC no eto ekru ni so a kotwetwe ensuo biara a ewo kru ni mu na afi amni no ada ho no mo mre bi atwam ye se kru no ai ti se nantwi bi eso na wo ase na afo BC be wawa ani ni nyinara na afi atwetwe ensuo no na granulation tissues no ayede amono ye fra bibi epithelialization sa practice ni nyina ewo eduro yi mu eyigi ni nyinara na bonus ewo ni se kro ne ewu no enya wetwa eno na ye anwanwade a BC ye a eduro nkaye na enya adwuma no entimi nye ye ne yewo engine room ho atiefo ne ahwefo ye ka mu ntie ye a doctor fo ayusubi a nurse fo ayusubi mo hana mo kura mo ayusubi muni mse ne yetie enye akohwe bi anasa atro bi ne yedi akire obi ne aba ne ye ene yedi ho adanse BC 56 ye ekura dura FDA agiatum yagiatum wo man mu ha enye kura sabi edura ehye ase yagiatum ti kwana kope bi entwen ema emre no enu se ye kotwa wonan se ekuro ye wa ne ho sunsanso edoso ye fra bibi septicemia infection of the bloodstream eye wa woti ho na wo bobrim obetimi atwa hwe obetimi akọ off afa na wo kope asem ama abusuafo entwen masamre nu samre no ye de wo kodu hospital na enya afa ne ye kohwe kuro no afa ne ye koka septicemia no ho asem shocks ne ade na wanya no ansa na kra na wani ba ho so ya beka kuro no asa samre no na ewe he a doctor fo ye nipa tsemwa anese fo ye nipa tsemwa enti entwen masamre no so mane nye emergency manenya normal one say ya OPD cases ni en show kona kope BC 56 cream ne fatu ukroso si efi ho ane e copy leaf ointment ne tablet pass eye koko sa koko adro ne eno ane pile ne tablet ne ointment anopa ne enumre no wafa ensuo ne edonom any side effect bi anhaba ma na e de aye ade na won kope bi ento pass ye wa ehu obi se koko enya hwe eni adro na aba eno ane ne pile ointment ne tablet no kona kope bi se me kana ma kiremu a pass se eye wa wo rectum ho sebe wo to dro ben no ekuku a na apai epai a na abedi wo to bebia wo gya wanan no na api obi se me kokobo api ye be ya wo surgery enne sikasem ayedin eno na calmate akofa pile leaf ointment ne tablet aba kona kope bi se wo di cream no efa wo to no koko na na se kokobo na apie na ebe mmoa no eno do ni fre no Pal Max ebe mmoa no ye wo practice bi wo mu a eye inflammatory practice a eno no wo de kana na mmoa no afi moja bi etu wo bebi a woja wo nan yi wo to hono no ebe ye ne den ebe arrest hemorrhage no prekope na moja na twa eya wo ne discomfort biara na wo feel wo ni pedua ma na sa wo to kwan no so na ye afri ho woja wo nan bi afa bi ye woja wo nan afa bi ye eya me ka asem bi a doctor for ne a nurse for omaye pharmacology ye edusua bi a yesua fa enuro ho ono no wagie atumu a oyusu bi sabe be se menua wo de wonni sa medical side na wo nimde wo enduro ho oyusu bi ema obi na adaw enu ani pile kona kope bi se netie se eye maame no na omo wo fie na omo ni phone na obetimi agogo ogugre wo enye dura ye de ahye sumi ase agi babia se ne obi beka no se wo koko a kona kope bi koko yare na esa sebe enye awadru enti pebi na wo koko na adoko mfre bebre no na yede na yi na afi ho na niema ye koko adru no edan so de bi ameka koko ni bi wo bi se manum nro fie bebre ni enko wei o se koko a aye stubborn why no ho tintin trinti onum aduro bi a no watwi nani ato baby eno and a pile leaf tablet in the ointment eye ho aduma oti ne tew okwa a omma afa wo san prevent broni cancer prevent or sino kwan ema onya no ho kura na wamanimusu wa beye ne obeye eno ho asem ene ye ka na no pay afa mi sense numbers ni bio aha nti se wo pay ye nro ni bia numbers na wo be free 055 266 7712 and 059 855 3575 ye waso ye bebre a ubenya enro yi bia to ukotudu opposite eyenuanum kramofo asori dan na ubenya bi adabraka opposite Malcolm ubenya bi na plaza okanshi Elohim Adepa House okanshi Ashaman opposite Menya Krobo Rural Bank ubenya bi ukomadina opposite Malcolm ena Kofodua Gapsin Pharmacy Bano Pharmacy Sunyane Green Light Pharmacy Mose Pharmacy 6 Stars Pharmacy ena uko Cape Coast Buse Pharmacy Sankotes Pharmacy Pena Herbal Shop ena Ashin Pharmacy Kumase Costa Pharmacy Freddy Mens ena Obuase Smart Herbal Shop uko honuma ubenyabe ena pharmacy bia ewo Ghana ha nyira bowura mu o se calm de no wan waso na wakofa fe India man mu aba no mu mami bi nia echi ni se uto a unyusu de enya adwuma se unyusu nko ade a obehu results sa
nyame sha ntiemfa wonsi ha no pay ye bompa ese na wotwe besim nkwa hoden be wo ho ne asa hia mu biem ye da sepa enti Calmade pharmaceuticals for ne te won kano Pilif na ope anase BC 56 ekura duro ayede yekura ewani so nya ekura wo mu eyemiate aha wonya bia na ode asolve problem numbers no ena ode maye ofra wo ma bibia kire wadwen no now no one more akasa
wait sir thank you Frank oh nya ibada na ojai boy jagumo non-stop give it up for the guys queen thank God it's Friday. When you say if you had a dream, say a muscle, a chair, one question the question, see a call a story or some, a question I get and coupon. Nedjo mediation, she, yes, I just say, a queer routine Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, horror, not chilling vibe, no, yeah, what panino, near what panino, chilling, Friday, near Jim, Timo Quaba, about Bridgem, I was sepe, edumedia, so wealth of entertainment, near H. Guo. Ya boaboa no de fata wani no asum no ya ma wutibi me din de Sandra Oheme Ametiwa adwuma nyame Adom Entertainment ame ya Ghana for chiremu a
woni sa Sandy no we dey jayo or ya guy sister Sandy be a guy
I'm the guys queen Ghana's entertainment prophet man say be so mo fedin Ohema what you use what be who the guys Ghana's entertainment prophet sa wo fa wa yi ho no squaddy ship back no him ahwe na wa me feel why yan konsam no so ne kwa me starting free Ghana me boshi na matoache Liberia for no eja kwa ka so akro maje ho afa Liberia camp o matodin benya sa camp no me ko me Liberia ehwai na wo hwensem a na no etwagu social no eso ya landlord why so the neighbor ya rap battle Africa for nyina de omo ho agim na yei ene Liberia for dwumtuni ba ko a wono nso ewo bi kan etreye oga afa bekasa betia Nigeria for no bra bekasa me eti nia oka eni also trending Liberian hip hop rapper Mr. Church sani friend no nipa no ka friend Mr. Church or say has something to say about the ongoing saga in Nigeria saga. Also, Sarkodia is up there. You get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. Sarkodia is up there. He has been there for more than a decade. Frank boom man sana makenkai. Kenkai. Boom man sana matwaso. You know who boom. Debi ameka. Ya na muka say easy. Enye easy. Say easy. Ya me sister Sandy me so my chem decade honum. 13 years as an entertainment journalist. And easy. It is out of fear now more the afin and mobile banana and I must say, who bet me your bedi compete we're chemu decade. Can hobby him. He didn't just do it for himself. Listen up. Listen up. He raised a whole generation of rappers who have placed Ghana on the map. The Gaius Queen raised the flag of entertainment because Adom near your culture and is the guys who brought the entertainment on. You get it? Because of his efforts, only South Africa can boast of having more lyrical rappers than Ghana. Yo, give it up for Ghana! Woo! I love Nigeria. We all do. But if you remove MI and Vector, you are left with Afrobeat singers. Afrobeat slay queens. Omojitum. Sense or no sense. Oga. Sense. Bedi fufu free Adam so. Sense, Mr. Church. You are preaching. Actually, why the two mofu? Who advise una? Hey, more than a decade, the whole underlying decade. Maybe I to do something consistently, no, I am not any better. Maybe I said to get to the top is easy, but to maintain it, a problem, no. Yejina ya na so yejina msa bilaba. Eti no mo nsema Mr. Church. Waye ni na migusu ahwe kwa de abusuafo. Megusua me ko kuma sese me kacha mu ze me ko Marthes of Uganda ho. Me hu. Wadaroma bia na wo so wo hwehwe me bi. Se na me hwehwe me bia watenka wo hwehwe me. Menye na Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Me wo honum nyina trade so Sister Sandy be a guy with a blue tick. Hwehwe me na rua me die mu na ja number me fremo. Still on kwa there. It's very serious. It is very serious and you be preacher cause he say you be hu kwa there cha kwan. Say talented young guy say me je hu unless obi aye so be boano e na anyi unless they say they have tried and it's failed. But say na sugar tone papa opanyi no pe me chia o etini ba manim say Sister Sandy money Adom TV momwa na sugar tone ye mo ano no sana kwa de madaroma enupti wa ha na entertainment ayeye bra emu pressure utimi kra bodam. We are there for each other. Ye wo ho ma mo nti na ye wa ha because jeje ani temra so say wo say eboa ye so ye ba jeje wani ti kwa da busia mesre mo me hwehwe mo papa. Just take a look at this. This is kwa there. Adin so no nom fra so ye wo nom fra na chesefito na no de ma cheers anopai pito na no de ma cheers wo hene wo so bo an ho na men so ye mo a wate ye sure say what ye den akasa de wote ye den a wote wadaroma so bo an ho pa e try say be bo agyan ne ma nonom gyan nonom abusia me hwehwe mo very important. Go see Friday and weekend and now watch the message because this is a great talent. His style of rap may be mad. He changed the game. Looking at more time, quad there. The steez is just too much. Tienti me share a money passa sebi tafach and prejudice and say sir. Yeah, twas so I maybe she a Nigeria. Omuni be feel alright, but chale. Your cousins nyomo. Your mammy nyama in Nigeria. Bena boy, kofo ma pressure wo social na so say wonye no ho. But be am bisa mo say sa niema no January wo nyini na hwan na ware nyini no wonyini biem. E na Sister Sandy na ware o Sister Sandy na ware o na hwan na se me ware a me nyini biem. Sister Sandy na wo Sister Sandy na hwan na bisa mo say na Sister Sandy kwa se me mienu miensa kwa be den ho. Enti bena boy na mo ma ne pressure ho. Se bra no enye na onwo kasia na etia tie kasia boy na channel so bena oya speak oga.
Why haven't I had kids yet? Bro, because I don't want to have kids yet. Like, have you seen my operation, bro? Have you seen my mom, the way she loves me? Have you seen my dad, the way he loves me, bro? And the way that you like, bro, I know I can't give that to no one right now. with the life I live, you feel me? So when I'm settled, when I'm a bit more settled and I can be there for my children every day, every single day, every minute of every fucking day, I'm not having no kids. Real talk. That's just me. So that's just a personal.
Thank you, sir. The FFF, not too much for this morning for our show now. Or ya carry on. Which more a bonnet of was so young time. A person young a man and ma. Na when the age na so I can't chat before her no pay say. A bano about 1 year, the Adocasa will change a ska. Ocasa will change a time, a bit delay. A bit delay. It is a queen and uncle a bar, men queen, my catcher, Moncale. A bank one dear, catcher mamma. On a nebu fee, catcher grandma, but supper so could ye a good day. Yes, more young when you answer some Adriano pay. What a year to assume. As a moon. To baby mamma see, as a moon. Ah, yeah, that's sorry. Queen of my papa. Ay, Mali. Shatter, the new girl. A fair friend, you know, a shatter man of congratulations, you know. And maybe some baby, and my sister standing at Mestro. Mestro, pa. Me go swam in no more dress, my case. See, my mammy problem be a message, baby. Ebe mama swate. Ti meso. Information ni na kwashatawa le nima e wo Instagram. Di opeso hu bia odofo wa try to wate. Wa kanya ya tro woni pe. Wa kanya ya tro woni pe. Shatawa le mali afefro. Eti mo me entie congratulatory message a Shatta edema ne wife ne girl ne odemano remember.
Anybody waiting to watch this video, make you tell my grandma, say, I love him so much. I love him for the peaceful home way quick for me. I love him for the beautiful life where they give me. I love him for the directions and advice they give me. And most of all, I love him for his prayers. Marley, I love you so much, man. Daddy loves you. I just want to do this video for you. Fucking love
you. I know. I send way good news. I word the insure. Bible cracker. Some mama friend quite no mammy chain. Now you know say no trying near on there. Wale, congratulations, big one. Pa. Yamin Chawaba, Nasalai on Chawaba. Na Kwame Eugene Papa so now you and TSA Wakanchinego over 10 months now. I feel no more date na Babontin. Say, you be Papa no cry. You know, lovers of Kwame Eugene, lovers of music, and fans of the rock star. A year no share senior any. You best say we should post an answer. If you near Kwame Babontin say would ban quite say be see a chicken abo ye ni abre pa ye ni abre. Yo, it's Mr. Alex Mafu, aka Kuku, 75 years. About cost to 17th to 19th of May, 2024. Yeah, the location shares some baby Jollof. Yeah, the location shares some baby Jollof. You know, Shishaya Kabia, Badwam TV so. Ede Amamo. Ongoing beef now still no. Cost war social. So I can cut to no X no. The video, ni pebias. Sakwa de boni din. Was a beefy one. David Onaja to be praise your body. Also, no one in this world fit her sakwadi. He will finish you. Big ups Ghana will be there. Sometime Papa. Who can fear na uhuri? Ghana will be there. Hey, yes. So Yate Yadase. Yadase Obio. Yasom. One love. Yadase P. Now, Sana Debiano, your supported talent, a pushy talent. Who new talent about system and there is no different. And there it is no different. Mensaka T20 all the way from the central region. And what why was zoom so baby boy what you can than a camera no vertical. Vertical means vertical. V for vertical. Yene sama me na yen twetwe kom na me hu zoom ho. Na yen fan hye so T20 and your friend first time airplay and then you mean yeah bebo e wa ha say for the very first time I will tie nwumwe wa sumu de wani hu video no. It's on Adom TV. And you know, Mr. by order in the vertical in anka. On find your new hook. T20, what's here and can't batch out vertically, no. Just vertical yourself, na yenkasa. Why? Vertical yourself. Sister Sandy, Sarah, Pare, Mama Ren, whoa, making money. I T20, I'm in Sankan all the way from Central Region. Na Frank Boom Kakre. And I come to with you. A nice song. Very, very dope song. T20, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Can you hear me?
Meta won kapa Adom TV suna away. What fix so camera ni my matter. Vertical.
Like I want to put a earpiece, but I don't know what's happened. It's not coming well.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dan the camera ni vertical, mami. Na yenti me fan shisha so vertical.
Okay, me and vertical. Okay.
In your dema. Now in about 30 seconds. Why need T20? Will be all here for the first time. No, who is T20?
Yeah, T20 is a Western guy. You know, I come from West. I was born in the Western region. But grown up in the Cape Coast, Elmina, and just since my childhood, I love to sing and dancing until I found myself in the uptown. I ended up here, you know, age of 17, 18, staying here for about 20 years now.
Okay.
And so it's something I like entertainment movement, you know, since day one.
T20, I hear now, I can't say if you are no pay.
Yeah, more Belgium, a European capital.
In your me de obo for no or a pap or the mara. A pede pap for no mama. So Adom TV swinging ata. It's me come fantino, it's me country. Bibia oye.
Mansa me dig already more post and me pay wasm already.
Oh, me da say, Miss me Philupa, we a nice guy, very very dope.
Thank you.
It's a music, you know, wo bemu full vim and I say wo de be da na ya saka kra no waja ye ho.
No man, you know, I'm in the deal. I'm in the business, you know. And the songs in my EP, me catch me road manager no kwabonium. And you me dan mo pi kwa na after my best cinema me there.
A release ning
I want to come and come and you know put some smile in the face of the people. Because I say industry, you know, still it's hot. People are in it, but I feel say they need more new faces and new songs. You know, Mama de body hot.
No correct. Now, hey, there boy, no ties ready then.
Money.
Money.
You know,
ebe pesike. Ebe pesike.
Yes, no. If you have no more code, no, I don't more code apart from God, you know. More money, more code we are in Yesika. And talk about the money.
Sike. T20 and then a come on west side. I say. Modi eni mo so ni mo ma me pa nyom no ne boy money o chema o new tracks are obeso release the entertaining Ghanaians. They said we akodi Belgium and no adwetwen come you know any message for people I feel no mo be can T20 fans no ho a.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to edge that. I have some couple of fans. I have couple of people that they knows me and they love me. Here in Belgium, I'm very popular here because of the church. I am not telling you now. Didn't go put in Belgium. I have but T20. A lot of people know me, especially Pentecost. I'm not talking about the church, but remember example there. I have never gone put in Papa.
Oh, okay.
Now, upon Ghana one down see I become a new. So I just want a new friends. I'm urging anybody who's listening to me this morning. They will be all telling me there. I want to be your friend, so be my friend. You know.
Okay. Now social media I don't mobile handles ne kwa enche na after no watch baby e be hunyum we money no why release me say first time airplay our Adom TV, so this is the first time I hear video yet but after Adom TV no e he fa biem ne be hunyum no.
Oh, and you know baby all the app everywhere
digital platforms
but you play in a big promotion, so all the radio stations in Ghana and the TV stations, they are going to see us, they are going to hear me because we are doing a big promotion. I like upon Adom TV now, Adom, I am Adom watch there, and then the first year, first place I almost share and I say, I mean, no one can plan some almost show on the pay.
Nice.
But the whole Ghana, me feel the makers say, Kumasi show, Cape Coast, Takradi, and Mina as well, Mangasim.
Yeah, so
baby,
yeah, so this is home, Tony. Anytime, just knock your baby at the amount. Great song, great talent. Yeah, that's if you sign up for Becca. Social media handles not find our ways.
Yeah, TikTok, T-Tony, because of Ray Blandel, so it's a T-W-E. Tony, that's a T. Tony is a T-O-N-I-E. Echo, Facebook, the same T-Tony. Instagram, the same T-Tony.
Okay.
YouTube, the same T-Tony.
Okay. Yate, that's if you sign up a joining. Yeah, you better born you many people now. Thanks for joining.
Mama, come last word now.
Inyo.
Menche teful. Me sorry.
Fatodo.
Me chewe na so me pe me catch on there. I want all Ghanaians to join me because you know, sisiano madunu kono. You know, me say no madunu so preach. Sometimes I saw who laptop and say telephone company obi from India, Pakistan, whatever name but because of sharing and helping all the people, no one about who found out with them. So we need the people. So all the super fans of all the stars of Ghana, I also need you to be my friend, please. So join me and help me to come out big, you know.
Okay, T-Tony, we're there for you all day. You will have for the talents. All the very best, and thank you for joining.
Thank you so much too. Thank you for having me.
Okay, T-Tony ni anena atwetwe in common no Ghanaian base o Belgium honoma west side. I say what dropping money at to make surprise sabo kakra fe jaya kwan na yentie T-Tony new track no.
We go try another one. Make your money. Take your money. No, bring it down. To all you ladies out there, make sure they do what is right to make it that money, you know. Don't expect any man to bring you money, man. You know what your mama give it to you. Yeah.
T-Tony money. If you never go back to Adom TV, so sir, big shout outs to Kim P. And big shout outs to my boss, Kobe Eshon, for making this happen. I'm the guys queen, yeah, the best see. Now yeah, Jamakwan, I make catch us. Radio just got better with the guys. To say if you had a beer, Adom FM, 10 a.m. to 12. The guys is on. Big shout outs to OPD and Joshua Tigo, TT, for making this happen. So the guys, a bit me aye, Jumano, ni abe fame. Say me kwa Adom FM, me pon her. Mijinem ewo 10 to 12. Tune in on Adom 106.3 and be my guest. I'm the guys Queen Sarah Parry, I'm a director. I'm Ampoma Biggles, I'm a producer. Fruit waha, Masa Edem waha, Frank waha, and any in a voter nation or when I come home a share. I'm the guys with Shamu Kroma. Fabum, Famameka, making money. Fabum, Macrow.
Debia Makacho said, "I could draw a bony dear council, a Becayasem. Senya a tear. Yen strong Yamini and Sunipa. But said young fat and near Tranton and Cassanipa. And yet no soon to that said, ye Baba Meneca said, ya to yem. Wabra a kind of toye. Tibecan send ye tape peppermidine, they aquasi in Siasemi Cabre and a Drew Swing. Mobiache, Bovina Aquaba. And if you are a friend Bojaye, Leja, Yemco. And I'm so toy and. Unfortunately, now no Eddie pa. The same sooner to the talk a crabby pet na a year affair. Now, before that, next week, I be Mestre Kolebu Mustafa, ya head of PR, Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Ya Flofit Yenra, me and find your WhatsApp message. And come up you one more say Kolebu for my Ghana for Timothy here. Before I met here, DSC a year and come on so about in Sutoni in Suyiri Kosono. And no penny power no and Edda Renal Patient Association no El Kolebu. A resi assembly a one pensem one bedroom. As was saying, when him says ye ka saying Sky Group Company. Each year, 2 sessions of dialysis at the Mamfua, a Kolebu Kwaji Ayarisa, a bar kidney ho yadia. But from October 2023, ebesi enrada no ne yekasai. Obi bi okokolebu renal unit bia wana atwa. So they want to find out. Says Sky Group for agya sikani twa na. Sky Group for no ye adoye ntom so mafa kolebu renal unit. Se unya kinimu ha na koto no mu a. Sessions mienu for na otwe bia no almost Sky Group mafa sa kana to mo so ombetwia. Before this increment, now 380 Ghana, also what Fasaka. But near patients, they catch us from October 2023. ABC and NRA. Ada May 16, 2024. Omoko kolebu omwa de chiom sika. So they want to find out the Sky Group for Jessica Nichiana. Kolebu so mo munya se papa bia se bin kan fa nchiro Yegusu yenhwemu kolebu won ho a. Ba bia nhwemu na kwakodu min ka ho asem sesei. Because as of enra yenhwemu aye kolebu na kire the amount Sky Group for atwia CFA supporting amanfo a eba kolebu teaching hospital renal unit. Eye kidney ho asem etwitu obia. Yembo yetimu da so obi agi sika bidi. Eni yempesi ebesusu da so obi su ebu obi. But asem na aba na amanfo ebisa ho nsebisa. Se kolebu fo beboa yemi enti ase. Cause obi won ma wo ba no, wa prepare ne ho say. Oh, me 2 sessions we there. Sky Group for afa hoka. Eti bia me best kaka krebe me fa to mo so. No ba be do say da bi ye so twa 380 Ghana ni nyina. Kolebu management mi enti ase. Ne start to twa so kra kaka say. Na CSC National Health Insurance Authority ayi 2 million Ghana cedis. E be support amanfo a ewo kidney mu hawo. Our teaching hospitals no. Kolebu penfo call committee this no. Omo mentions a Sky Group e supporti amanfo eba kolebu. E se be bua amanfo ba kolebu a enye for 1 session. Na yentwe tutu ma Konfanochi and a Cape Coast. So Sky Group eje based on the na kolebu this recommendation way ekokoma NHI for committee number TSA. Young fund this best the 2 million Ghana sister. Aban see fan support it. One more year dialysis or memo. Some wo a some ewo young fast some way nya good ye. Etam kasi yam pesi e besusu say. Obi agisi Kennedy. Yam pesa. And yenye ya say the adwen so be ko honom. Them ka say Mustafa from Enura Anopa. Any afre wa na untimi fa. No pensu ya sa afro biem. Untimi fa. Want to give you the benefit of the doubt. Say bibi na SCB ente untimi fa no. Eti eja WhatsApp message. Ye the interview no so aka ho. Ye the other enema ye hunu enso aka ho. Dialysis ni boarding. And no calculation kakre na kire say uko for 2 sessions in a week near 1,575 Ghana cedis. Nipa do say the benya sesika no. A month ye 6,000. Ese nyo domfo bi no so betum amanfo. No se meye sika we dia boa amanfo. Na amanfo no na still they are paying for and one is in pakro etwa dia. Then na kolebu asem wo ho. We also take this opportunity near calling on Parliament, especially the Committee on Health. Dr. Nane, are you a free ye? Omenya for Akando. Or some sonny shemu kolebu of sa dialysis no. Because it should be clear. I'll say clear. Now man for to man say Sky Group from one of kaso mebuano omo jai. Se omo nyaye dia Kolebu should be able to account to the people. The entire from October 2023 up to Enra. Amanfu eko Kolebu etua for full cost for their health care. And as so much Jaisua, management of Kolebu should be punished. Because Ebasa Madada Ghana by Enra. Many Oswald, head of corporate affairs and communication, Edema National Health Insurance Authority, entry for Council. 2 million Ghana cedis na abano. Abai say, Omanfua eko Kolebu no, omu obuafo for 2 sessions. It will be Kolebu be for 3 sessions biano. Any sense can kwa supported any top up na abano. But omu work on for noche any Cape Coast omu ni buafo. It will be for 2 sessions for mo from June yes starting year Jumano to December. Et say Sky Group for a jai and a Kolebu pen for Kachre National Health Insurance Authority say Sky Group supporting it yaya sad drawing the actual dia and no majaya then Kolebu management should be punished because more dada buying. Now it means also government circle back. Echo type the board this will be echo dragging in our fro. Because about this idea, I think somewhere as of 2021, yeah, Sky Group a Diomo 18th anniversary. The CEO Nika was say, as of 2021, Nesika Machia they are supporting renal patient Kolebu was about 15 million Ghana cedis. And he said, they are even willing to do more. I feel they are even willing to put up the transplant center no Ghana Hanum. The first of its kind. Tlamika say, I say when you call some penfoni and a good year. So be a Jessica no di Kolebua, and I'm casting person by your cornum, and no crenso. But says, dear. The Parliament said they should call for audit of Sky Group and Tobuanemua or Diabua Kolebu Renal Unit from I think 2015 or 2016 up to date. Near Jessica, Yechia, Sky Group, Echiadema Kolebu, and the number of people are benefiting. Because, and I remember some into details. And now we are not Kolebu for a cam set. I'm going to come 4 million. A come 4 million. One 80 about Tumno. Wouldn't my summer see ye? Wouldn't my summer see ye? Wouldn't said that time I'm not Kolebu air quality for 4 million. No, now or don't phobia ya don't. Mean quite to details. Mean quite to details. But see, make one corner ya. That I feel my so you need videos no na Kolebu asem say from Nyame next week na me ho adwuma ye ba medika ka parliament I wish say mo Nyame me the petition beba to call for a forensic audit of Sky Group contribution to Kolebu Renal Unit nyanya auditing of the account. So unfortunate for us, as usual, you run to Tobrem. And I mean, can say, he said, we am sacred assassin. If we need to Tobrem, no crash started free. But as usual, so the child says, Jemo Anaja, ya shall say a painting qua. A bin no from Nano, Juada, Numera Toye, any Enuadia, a Toye. But I can't cost when say, Moses say, a quaint constructions be brave air coso. Eti ama esu ni toka krebe kura na esu yidi na no aye den more because of the construction because ye tutu amra bia ye nyan ensesemu enwie enkata so nti eye normal se be hu sa de man say but the question is ye be stra shenkafo ye be stra ashenkafo so twi private say one kasa car say o master car say ye commercial say ye trotro say ye taxi say ye dey and outwi yenya hwe especially sensori to la sensori na ba because one hwe ya said etutu no abeba no wakoto amana bim the mentia say Kaneshi first light it da be na be ye ho se na wie ananso kobo odo revenue because the rate at which a Kaneshi first light ejiri no ano den dodo ano den I think this one should be Labadi. Yeah, I think Labadi did. Where Labadi did. Then draw car tensuani. Then swat tam taxi moi. Taxi a passengers gumo. Taxi a passengers. Egum. Then swam manaso. Then no taxi ni tensuani. It is now no. And your driver no control car ni biem. And you should no control car no. It is baby and so the pen on the back. Ba shaka yakopon se ba bia nom nam ne de na mu ye na nya amna na nya gata na nya ndua kese bia ne wono je ko bokwa la mkopem bridge ba ko deja omotwe ya manso no ebra se kakra tira me ka ebesre na afi ya contractors ne so a eye adwuma ne so no this time no menim se betimi declare say stop them there because Ghana metu amya tia se ensu akase se ne beto mo so yema warning signs no and no so ya kwan ne so most especially baby about tutu amna no mumfa warning signs no ensi se de be ye be tente ama ye ba ye boss ahanum e danger ti kwase e fa hanum na munya ye sa ko mu jaye se wi chere ko fa asem na de aba na adwuma bia nso a ye ye kwan so bia nso no agyan kontem kakra nso fa ma ye na efi na menu mie no nso ye nso no ye nyai efi no so dos do ye nyai doso hey da bia twom de emre ya menka o adwo da be din ko maka to say Kolebu teaching hospital. I'll give you the full details of the course of Kolebu what me ati ase be ni akwasi ensi asemrika eni ya bedwafo atrase de pense mu etwaso e ba mo nyina ma chema akwa ba biem emfa emra pense mu so on bedwam or Adom TV, live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV, Diggy Box and so you're live and so you're streaming so on Facebook page near Adom TV Extra, Adom TV Extra. Okwa a new page into like it. Why send a be at the BI as streaming beyond sabit me akebina what me ashe. Now streaming so I share. Emo bi nso ntimi nya behweja comment wase yes stream so e wo YouTube ya Adom TV and subscribe na e share comment ne kenkan no repem emfa e mabadwafo atrase ye ba betwe enkomo Enoch Afo akwa a member of the MPP National Communications team then Alhaji Mohammed Nazir head of communication in charge of Zango affairs. What the man metia say e di nye mu na matwa said nye Zongo Zango affairs. Alhaji Bokode
alhamdulillah ela yankopo ase shia na yeshia ya ache
papa
na ya sai simu bio
Igami Attorney General
Alhamdulillah. Maybe me income and one come there now. Danu ya kuzisa.
Hada
America. Danu mama mezume portfolio. Na wanka.
Say ya ohunse ode enye possible say betimi aba ma ayi.
Ode ebi to ebi okoto sa.
The possibility to na Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eko na ede di pefi na hwe se de Ghana for si gina ababa na abasobɔ ne nneɛma ekoma no na mabunu ne mabawa no atu adi nachi na ye nananom ne maamenom nyina wa rehiremu Dr. Bawumia mu na akwasi anya mistake say oka say incoming Attorney General akwasi meje in good faith. Yeah, the Brian so ebe sum ni asum Ghana so yi.
Respond me aba benipa.
Me tie miliano. Ebi biara kwakotena say. Me tie MPP for nso bebre. Okay. Your more can say na ba me akwa no ye bo age ne so. Ye bo age ne so. Wo mu obi antiment na say in that opportunity given to them. Na wakase ba me aka kwa ye no ka say. Oh, and I say to say a man for a boy genius. So you make me let's ensure sanity. I beg you. So you beg her. Will be and to me Casa so or no car say and I say no car ya Ghana for no JD a one more boy genius. Okay. Indeed, say what do I know about don't wear I say being well. Okay. And so ye nyina Ghana fo nyina hu indeed say Alhaji Bawumia wo no me kai kura say endo me hu ba ko bia na ye say pito say den na onum wo ye to say kuruwa bi mu ha to say wo ko no boa wo dim say calabash wo dim say emprebe wo mo do mo pito no na wo mo no mo calabash mu nti Alhaji a ye de efi so ya Alhaji pito zo de efi mba e fa da eba ena yesa hunu se asanko na wosa merase wofri wa asanko na ye nte se waka bibia ana se wono kra kan wan kan tra ya atemo a me kwa wan se godi enkomo we embra Penny Dawson eye Penny Powder won a eye cement ano e wo ye man Ghana mu wan sa ba beto just cement bo e ba be kosro se nyakra kosro dia then the Minister for Trade and Industry Ora Katie Amon Saba Bonten said they should halt the increment. And as man says, HMD be able so Penny Dawson watching Wakwaba at a Badwam show on Adom TV.
The Bacho be Bishop George Dawson Amwa.
Yes.
That's how much Bishop.
Bishop, Namiasum Yenka.
Enka
Bible saying Kayenye Yemni Adoye Empo every more ding. Bishop da Kukesi no and as to how here Ghana for Namwe. Mose Pia cement Buama na Costa de Amaye.
Yes, it be like a panel.
Okay.
Me sure say cement manufacturers say they will be so much insensitive. Say out of the blue they will increase price. And I can also say you to authorities say some the two prices cement more. Yeah, because they know the sensitivity and the economic implication of the cement product.
Okay.
Now, so, Senyama and a banasa, Sisi ano, cement prices na akosuno. See, you see, dinner, I'm what you cook from very fast. We should be saying from 11 Ghana cities, that is to $1, I could bear 15. Na cement human so minia the cement in ya yakra it's here manani na me you go to with the dollar there to go to ba number yam na so yes cement is na what on the cities to we as cities na so was sana what go to raw materials.
Okay,
so I can say with authority say about 75-80% of the raw materials in the cement now who the sana it's here manani. It is as a city and what in the conform they're happy. Sabi, Opia and the Biejuma and Manilus. So on she say, Adoye said, you my dear, you love somebody more than yourself. Sanadiana Quay. And I'm not, I know, I city and what in the Akofomna Ama production cost of cement akosun entina akofasa atmiaba.
Okay. It is said you can say tumuno astate.
Oh, I am my indication said they are going to increase price, but it will be actualized.
Okay. So it yenhwe no say ebo no be free say akwakodu say.
There are different companies in the among some of their competitors.
Yeah.
And they'll be there. Maybe you're a different brand. In the honor, you can't give just a figure unless you give a figure attached to the brand or the type or the standard. And the way is over me to come. But another time I can give you the average.
Okay.
They will move there. why?
Sir, ye de nyina nim senka ye bie enfinyuma e wo ye man mu a ebeboa amayenam abo atimi abafom.
Yeah.
But this is the case one of our manufacturing companies the raw materials they offer 80% free amonne. So does it mean say yentimi nya ho hwe biem so say there be a dollar no ebe man ho so bia no we need to expect this increment.
I dey be enya ejumpa se benya sa ade bi ewo de Ghana. Na sa we no enya me akede it's a mineral. And the clinker is saying, no, it's canopino. A limestone, being your heart. You be to me, Sabi Ashe, near your clinkano.
Okay.
But, and Yamia said, you need to have the limestone you want to go and also the limestone you want to go. Now, what do you know? And your thing. Enti na akoba say ye to go here limestone bebre wo Nigeria limestone bebre wo enti and about say na mo manya sample no how many times you from da you don't call me every day enti so bubu no say asemi ankoba and go from me because things have worked well in the previous ways because we use Gassam, for example, Gassam has been here over 60 years.
Yeah.
And this kind of situation of credit here, but things have, if the economic parameters are correct, there's no cause for alarm.
But bishops here can say then we might force consumers then a better say maybe a better from Nigeria because if say Nigeria a Canadian year cement no adudu on the chrome na so no so at least a dollar rise no affecting bebre na so be affecting Ghana bebre then we might be compared to buy from Nigeria.
The American economists it means you are talking about export and import.
Yeah.
And they want to say you also have to do some economic analysis.
Okay.
Whether it is feasible or not feasible. That's exactly what it is. We can't just say straight like that. The question is that I think a long time. In the year with the mathematics in the 2-1, and also it was in the name I know it's all based on scientific analysis. And what cost and benefit you have to do.
Okay.
And just straightforward, you are going to jump to another question. I wonder we have a problem with the Minister of Trade. Tell the Minister of Trade, you don't produce cement. You don't manufacture cement. How can you issue a directive? Say a producer, why an analysis? Why an economic analysis? Why any scientific analysis? Why any cost and benefit analysis comes out with a price increase? And you just write that it should be withdrawn. On what basis? Are you in the same business with them? On what basis? It's a problem. And the question is, are we in a price control regime where somebody who doesn't have any idea of a business can just wake up and tell that businessman, hey, Polytank for Munton 2 cities instead of 4 cities? It doesn't work that way. And you asked me about that directive.
Yeah.
That directive is totally unfortunate. And you are talking to somebody who has invested, somebody who has created a job. That is a company that, has spent, has invested.
Near Kadia, then Bishop, it means a nyadia. Mubetian trade minister, Kanama Hote.
It doesn't wash, it will wash. Well, what is the basis? The idea is that, what the idea is that there's a reason for the price increase. And what do we expect? Just to hear that, Mauricio, the way to cement, it has been resolved.
Are you willing to meet the minister?
Oh, that's true. What he should have made first. That should have been the approach.
Okay.
That should have been the first and foremost approach. I mean, mother I said your granddaughter, another grandchild giving school about no issue. Now you just have to keep quiet. Don't cry. Come on. Don't cry. Instead of asking her, why are you crying? The minister should have started with why. Instead of just saying that, do this. So that's the basis. And it will be difficult, very difficult.
That's it. Bishop, you're ready to see me, brother Pay.
Thank you so much.
Alhaji Nasir Susochiao. Bishop Dawson, a penny powder, when a manufacturer cement for your memo. And I'm just saying, describing the directive by Minister for Trade and Industry, Honorable Katie Amond, as unfortunate because they believe say no say minister and no mushia ebisa dienti kura born to moon eba instead of say all jump say momo entum. Alaj. Cement price increment. Kono okay kind anytime bia seed na ho de beba from bia no. We should be expecting such an increment because 80% of raw materials if we outside never there. They are not yourself.
I didn't hear so more about my Aviophone team for me. Now, Media, they didn't carry and chair strong consul, Mede Ebema, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, ne Vice Presidential candidate, Professor Jane Nana Mensa Ajimai. Ubusa Ghana Funina or how any TBO Muwa. On be catcher or say system no more. One case our foul programs are woye. Wo dey for the past 6 months. What betna say na ye be program is either one problem or the other, and the major topic of the day. Don't want also ever economy. Now, if this is the case, now a sepata say you start to be some questions. So my no share no. Any sana buy no nkasa ye ne share. O ma yet ya say nipa what the economy ahye ne nzemu o ma peni abedi ekiri His Excellency Alhaji Bawumia. Na sa Alhaji Bawumia no ene owo he na den no work. Indeed, otumi nya akwenya etumi be ka kire yen say CD dollar dancing ya watum to say what CD na tumo the key na ma IGP nti CD dollar no entimi ye bibia ankire CD no bio. Okay. Ene ne ekosu ni wa be kasa kire yen. Wa be ka bibia to say to afun a to say Ghana fo benya say ye woni da so bi weni. Bibia ntefe. Onka ne be wan say on nam stage so no sa. Na hotu nyom ne ne yekeka ho. Na video okasa wiye so say kasa no na ye joke ne ne yekeka ho. But there is a serious issue here. And Obehu say Marche Bedwafo Domkumano after a press conference. To that regard, say, yeah, me no kasa manfo adwuma egu. Me no kasa sisi me today I even have to go to the bank. Na me nko pesa ne me ya me nya sika bi dia solve ye fen say me dwuma egu. And many other people the small and medium scale enterprises there bobo yetie abuso kanfo ka kire ye say wokọ enkran wokọ abuso kan wokọ shops no baby that is a bootafo ya tutu shop no mo say wo mutumi ye adwuma ne bio esa say waboka okoji nyoma na obeton a waboka nipa oye to say important no so the mawa wo tonwe na wo mani sika ono so aboka. That is the situation in which and you think is a joke. Any joke because that is obia benya ne sika bi and also enya aduane edi. So in this current situation no na ye bisa ye ho say asem a ye kan fa cement we ho. Obetie say Dr. Adase Bishop Dawson Amwa metia ne papa kasa no o ka asem bi e fa raw materials anamboa. Sure. Number bisa say correct. Then we'll go back to the MPP manifesto because when you are pamwa, one more Ghana for koi. Okay. Over MPP manifesto page 153. Now utie say Also then, what do you say? The entire manifesto, no, be promise on economy, a half page, and then 153 half page. Okay. And then half page promise.
That's chapter 4.
Part 4.
Part 4, okay.
Part 4, no,
also consolidating our achievements and the way forward.
Correct.
This is 2020 manifesto.
2020 manifesto.
Okay.
Chapter 4, no, are promises for more for 2020 and beyond. Now, what's the first promise from here about economy? Almost say support made in Ghana products, including supporting the use of local material. That is the first promise they made. Then Mr. Dawson Amo Ekan.
Natural resources, maybe no mine.
Correct. They be obi any or mine mo. Yeah. Then and a bimu there because say Omaya discoveries up north in the Damango Savannah area near the Etika and say okay. We have some amount of clinker in this country. Yeah, well after just say yenano ya two more ya sign. Yeah. Say Togo will be Nigeria will be. Are you not using that? Your first criteria and also opportunity now after no to exploit the advantages and then to ensure say you get the raw materials for local industries. Manifesto no also continue to ensure a stable and affordable power for industrial development. Your power. These are the promises they made themselves. We our power. Produce at least half of Ghana's sugar needs locally within the next 4 years. John Amani Mahama started Commander Sugar Factory. Mobile because the three most important commodities in our market: oil, sugar, rice. That is the three most important because I'm in that industry.
Okay.
Oil, sugar, rice. Ghana, we up till now, we don't produce 1 teaspoon sugar of rice. Indeed, Yakra amateur say yes, almost about 3 billion import by 2023. In Dinamo Bisa say, with all these opportunities, one kasa wasama wokani. Where this so? Wundi so. Now, come back to the substantive issue. Me come now. Say since 1992, I started democratic dispensation in Ghana, the Fourth Republic. Yeah. It's only John Mahama, and Kwana Yenipa, what to me reduce cement prices in his regime in an election year. Question the records. Ask Dr. Yama Munfreno in Bisano. How did John Mahama do it? By putting in place stringent measures at the Ministry of Trade and Industry to create competition. Not what the Ministry of Trade and Industry. What is that? Indeed, from 2016, 2017, Echo 2018, one and cement prices started cost. One and a while by him. MPP ni ba me on Bakachi Ghana for some Bama. And I'm saying it, I'll repeat it again. John Mahama's other record are over in the industry, and they come once a money to say, or no one a year president, election year. Yen to me and to cement bonso. I'm a cement bono cry, a sign by form. Election year 2016.
Okay.
2016. So me Americano. Then I had to what did the Ministry of Trade do differently? I had to be in that direction. Ministry of Trade now say and country from some reduce prices keke. Send and the minister you have security yamo eh.
Yeah.
What would the normal to two form am hwehwemu a dokure achire e boaye na competition aba so cement. Central cement, gasam, Togo for Aplao cement. One so dear ho. Eti na competition no e wo hot in Emma say industry no abey tight. Into obi apese ye turn in your ma. This say ofa kwan ya obeye nso na wetumi attract customers. No more to your man. Into the prices back from simple economic terms. Into and ya kasa keke. And I'm person make a bangui. And the cement prices ever from. This is an indication because Adi Anka Yetimi Esiano in 2016 now Anka John Ramani Mahama Tuaswa Anka ne ye nisa problems so Wama High Amaya Sanko Yichi and ne Meno Kasei cement John Ramani Mahama ye free abamu. Now it was moving around 20 cities in Keka. One day you're saying About 1 million cities. What the 100 Ghana cities and beyond. And a better cement back one. That by the ABC die.
Mamiridi Adwe from City Newsroom. It was published on December 22, 2023. Prices of cement, rice, iron rods are falling. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia touts government progress. The flag bearer of the new Patriotic Party, Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia, has asserted that the recent government measures have contributed to macroeconomic stability. Dr. Bawumia highlighted the notable decrease in inflation and the reduction in price of goods and services as clear indicators of the government dedication to rejuvenating the Ghanaian economy. Addressing attendees at the National Thanksgiving service held at the NPP headquarters in Accra, Dr. Bawumia expressed optimism about the economic trajectory. Acknowledging the challenges posed by the post-COVID era globally, Dr. Bawumia underscored Ghana's resilience amid the economic and social shocks of the pandemic. He emphasized, and I quote, we are already aware that the post-COVID era remains a difficult era in the history of the world, as many countries across the globe are still recovering from the economic and social shock the pandemic created. Ghana has been no exception. As a party in power, at such a difficult period in our global history, we can only thank God Almighty for how far He has brought us. Another quote, we have to work extra hard to lessen the burden that crossed 2023 with us. We started the year with an inflation rate of 56.3% in January. As we speak, the rate for November is 26.4% in 2023. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia.
Correct. So all much ado about nothing. In the 2024, the prices of cement is going high.
Okay.
Again and again, I'll repeat, it's only John Dramani Mahama since 1992. And an election year. Ultimate prices of cement
was it for election votes?
Baby, stringent measures are headed towards saying enemy prices, just like the minister is trying to do now. We are not in a price control market.
Okay.
Prices.
But I say, Alhaj Nazir Mohammed, you know, cedi depreciation shot up cement prices.
Because me that's it. Mamifa incha sonkoma wahwefo na mefa o mampanyi na na danko akufuado. Nincha sonkon e magana fo nyina. Sanso na bedi akiri a sanso so ye MPP amanyukuro no ye Franka Tuni. Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Abranti a onyankopon siesie no se emra Ghana ye komu no o medi Ghana enim na won fa yin the fourth industrial revolution no ebo akwasi se ewiase nyina no ekwa hohiahia mu a eho ne hu akandifo se bi enye kasa keke.
Okay.
Enunti na MPP for ede ahobrase da Ghana fo ase se ebrewei o maaye kwan se ye ne medi Ghana enim ko Ghana for wo gidie wo MPP amanyoko nim se eni akandifo mu se economy no de tete pansam se den ya yetimi hihye ma ne banko mu bio o kai se o mampanyin na nado ebra covid ba ya na eti wiase nyina mene wiase amanye atumpo nyina ebu faso no o mayete se ababeda ho makraman akayen de ene ye de aba ne beku kraman no na ye de hu wi a how be abia na ye be kan ho abom so man baako ne ahihye ye man no ebio enunti ye bogana for eho ban ye bogana for enkwa eho ban ema sade covid esinya nsunsuanso wa man ahodo bebre so no sabi enya nsunsuanso wa Ghana nipa so kese na so no enya nsunsuanso e wo Ghana ye economy no eso enumu ena ye wogidie mapa se ahobrase mu no Ghana fo ahu yensu omahu ye ban Ghana fo ahu se ye de Ghana hye MPP amanyoko ne nsa yetimi edi Ghana esi gina pa bi sabi omampanyi akufo ado befa oman no na enye oman a na mana eto free esoro eba adaroma obefa oman a na omampanyi a oho no mo a ona kuta Ghana foto ka kire yen se oman no sika ni nyina na ye disika no ya renam na mana kadompe ase ne se yen foto na bo sika ni ho ahoyehia eni tutu aka yensam bibia ni ho ogefo ne hwan ene ne bna na yebo ye dai sumu enfie miensa ene abosomi ensia unya kania 24 unya kania 8 hours obedem 24 hours Ghana for konya be bremu enyuma seye na ye internal na inbuilt problems are na ye solution to those problems na eso so no abanya no wo ho no mo no entimi anyina ne nan so amasa nhyehyeye no entimi ankoso akwasi oman panyi Akufo-Addo en na bedi chi Alhaji Dr. Mahmood Bawumia be fa oman no na oman no esi apene na wo se ye de etam ebo ye yem na ye gi oman no esi ho he said wo be sha between 2017 and 2019 na your economy no na ejana na so ne yahye ni ye pa na hu se na economy e grow averagely the economy was growing around 8% averagely okay 2017 2018 and 2019 your growth rate ni buma it was going around 8% 9% eno na obi nim de free baby ba ye ahoma kote ba yire mu se the economy be covid-19 e be unity it is also modern more na ban no e born hye na ban de agu akwan mu a from 2017 no e ba e di yedie ebre Ghana fo na ahotowo Ghana ene ade nyina ene ofro bia wo wiase ba bia bi the United Kingdom na no me kasa fidie ho me TV ho a mehwe TV na British Prime Minister Mr. Sunak yeah someone in the British Parliament omo question about the British economy ni say wo hwe mortgage rate ni ade nyina cost inflation rate any ahokyere about Britain United Kingdom a o meyi ano na British Prime Minister kasa no obo niema mienu a edi British economy no enya na edi wiase nyina enya bako the aftermath of the COVID-19 ravages say COVID abatwemu de nanso so the hunsunsanso no eguso a oman UK United Kingdom ekon ebio or you saw this term the illegal battle and the illegal war of Putin in Ukraine. And also so no ama energy crisis and the supply chain we are seeing now akosoro. Okay. Now we are seeing now ebre. In 2021 shipping lines now supposed to a profit of over $200 billion or $200 trillion. For the first time in the history of shipping lines, supposed to that phenomenal marginal profit line because of say COVID buy or more free charges or more increasing astronomically. Manema boy den. Obi say importers. Na no me no kasa videos can me there be about shows wa. Na Mr. Martin traders advocacy Ghana e wa say he admitted say free no mutua a particular fee COVID buy a jump him about that times more than 200%. E dia ho kire nyina ba wiase. Enye Ghana nko saadie exchange rate no e won sunsun so bebre obibia so yen ka say ye aban no eguso aban a oya aban batan a odwe ne manfo ho no eguso ye ntoto ye say ye be reverse the trend no na manaba na kwasi woni bibi Ghana ye economy no the demand for foreign products no e ya de adoso yi ba eno nti ye homegrown solutions a aban yi ba ye no ye import substitution led industrialization a aban this is so ye one district one factory policy no who say infant industries no so wo tintim a it take time as an infant industries no even brand awareness any name nyina catch over with the population ama enipa atie gu so say ye to na ye di ehu dwa na ma etimi akoso and then nyame adom ye was cement manufacturing company be bro the first na ka e ba kope na ka e gasem be na jatamo e wa ha Unisem any other cement manufacturing company be bri abaga na ha say ya first no senka e one company pa monopoly no enka price na ka be adru no ka be tie nyina e kon but because of any competition you know very difficult so be betimi raise prices no irrespective of a certain external hikes or price adjustment changes be e cost e wo wiase it is not pleasant say ye kan nenso so no aban embu na ningu san hye ye nso se wo hwe enema ekoso na one me ne nyina ne Ghana fo nyina nyina wo chefa esan se ansa na China ebe China no China e close ne borders China depending on the homegrown solutions China depending on the products a omoye on mem ha say ne mem ansa na China etimegia na so a omo buy into perfection a omo nema eba abonten. We have opened our borders so wide. We've signed a lot of international trade agreements in the EMA. EMA yentimi and control trading in our country. And until again, I was here as a people. The OCA Union say, near my betimi aye or yem has say, I was say, ye who said, buying by a year over 164 working one district, one factory projects. I was say, and the Munina Edijuma, Ebwa, my Ghana. We need more. Said the Bayam ranching in Mabawa, every school, Benja Juman and Yemenina. Now, kwasi. Sa nema wo nyina ebe koso a aban eguso a from the colonial economic structure no ye redefine Ghana's economic structure any pyramid no raw material export ya na ye fa cocoa beans na ye de ko ye twa timber na ye de agu ship mu na ye de ko ye sa bauxite a anwea no na ye de agu ship mu na ye de ko yan add value to it, a value chain ni value addition no ye nya mfa so bi free home manganese from 1935 yes saguma onam takwa agona kwanta kwan so a obesia huge trucks a eso bauxite a ye kohwe anwea ni nyina kwata krade port a obekona ba bi ho ye hwe ye hippie friends bauxite and manganese yo ho no bebre a transit ship ebeba na ba be cargo ship abefa na be load na de akọ okay and aban yi ba ye no or the Ghana Integrated Aluminium Development friends corporation aba company aba Ajiadek no together with Rockshore International no partners no any other partners or more can hold in and say you better maximize the benefit of our bauxite industry the Integrated Aluminium Authority in Jumana bauxite no yen bauxite no yetimi are refining no na yenya aluminium no na smelting yetimi ya niam be hia e ha so what roofing sheet bebre ya
for me na mamiss away from January 2024 now your inflation is 56%.
Sure.
And now I can say we are hovering around, I think, I stand to be corrected, around 22%.
Yes, sure.
Then I buy a movie from 56 to 22%.
Meaning I buy she say I would go acquire she say pa I would go acquire him. Who say 54 point something? I like you na serious right. It means that the government is not asleep. Se aban entwa na mo bia na enka 54.5 na ekọ ye nka sai menke bia kie nam e bia 150 na 200 a ye kwa enka ye inflation is skyrocket.
Okay.
But these are some of the measures aban dey go akwam. One, say ye bauxite industry no ebe ye we. Na say aluminium ye kokra roads every China any ade ba ye dey try roofing sheet e wa ha. Almost all the roofing sheet manufacturing companies e wo Ghana has here no. Ekra roads no from China.
Okay.
And now mama be roofing sheet e wa ha.
And she pa NMA inflation drop is
absolutely.
The NMA dollar now rising at this time.
A demand driven. Dollar now rising a demand driven.
At this time.
At this time. Demand no. The demand cost will be bring.
The NMA demand of dollar cost.
Unse yen cocoa. No crane say cocoa. Unse say cocoa bo cost ro. Then so no ye ni beans kra na ye dey call international markets because of shortage a ye nya ne sa ne mani na. It the more international trading no untimi fa more export no enko na wunya more foreign exchange emba wo mem ha say no the same foreign exchange na Bank of Ghana no so security by into the system ma traders almost ko fa nema e ko kra nema ba de ko tuatu asa wo dem
is it because
it is a demand na e was ro na supply of the forex no e was form automatically no okay. The price of the dollar now say we e be rising.
Okay, so on the this same cocoa is it because yentimi anya adwumaden ya me yenya the number of tons here na bianke be here to give us more dollars it will be amana banesa
in the history of our country aban bia no wa ba why ye cocoa because what juvenate the cocoa industry chain and adon cocoa for
the outcome here
no
enye the
say oye maintenance of cocoa mu utwa bigu the akate ene na emagu so ene sa emo friend say cocoa solely shoot disease na ene utwagu na wo sign replanting na enye fiti ho no mo na take shape. A lot of the cocoa farms they be on one.
Okay, you for kwa ye no 1 year twem.
Oh, na cocoa dia cocoa 1 year so. Akwasi. Who dey cocoa 1 year so.
You mention say we can about time we twa cocoa nwa gu ye. Any galam say be fire cocoa ni ade no. What you am say is it because ye nye adwumaden e betimi am ye nya enough cocoa seeds ya ye beton.
Adwumaden aban ye adwumaden. Won say ye even manual pollination. Even manual pollination, for the cocoa, a take flower now. Ye pollinate manually said all the flowers everybody in a bit me a seed. Let me my beans and let me more cocoa yields. Okay. And then it is the level of investment I buy here in the cocoa industry, no, a significant. Even say Galamsey any toll on the cocoa in our cocoa sector. No, because Galamsey any toll on the cocoa industry now. No, I bet not Casafide so a diatro. Cocoa may be no more. And now illegal mine near almost say yen, almost to be atwegu. There's also no they are buying investment away your cocoa industry nim any innovations or about the cocoa industry in Ghana nim is so significant.
Can we say I buy more boy into my inflation about form no? But relax suntin and ama dollar na page do baby adriana.
There be akwasi I buy into me relax it.
Okay.
Because governance is a continuous process. I buy into me relaxing an election year we say sa friends say forex rate e kosoro na dia ho kire e ba Ghana for so na Ghana for aban e ko election to win an election because political party bia na what here the business of every political party is to win political power to be able to govern and until so person win election I didn't see say reverse the trend na unya suffer in an election year certainly no aban eye adwuma na de aban eye nyina ne se ye betimi aye adwuma den a e ma sa reversal of the trend dollar rising to about 16 Ghana cedis near there in 20 last year last 2 years e ba ya ba e be do to 11 Ghana cedi 10 Ghana cedi any ade no and certainly we will be able to get there ba kwesi ba me card ba ko be
30 seconds denko
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne flat tax rate policy na wode eba and say ye be harmonize yen port system no together with that of Lome say ye ni Togo port no importers and near my craba no the Togo edge ye no magina pepa na say the craba ye fo achen o mo no one of the police Dr. Bawumia e dey ba ebe boa edwadie na boa ma raw materials ye dey be yes na ma we nyina say cement die no aba form ama production timi akoso na boa Ghana
ebio afu apa what if
bakope
okay cobra Mr. Cobra menko emre sebra say ema boys edi kakra edi atu obotom mula bre aso but happy birthday nko emfa ema mama ya aka Mrs. Kujo ya wo London. You wish you all the best. The best stress Yakupong talks to man and Yamano and Shrey also. We through Ankasa crew, Mr. Kujo. Obusiano now for you as you show happy birthday. Bamia, ya what London. Mulabre asu Yakwabana Betua, Ekubana Sevaisi. Aquaba BMF, Emran Pense, Monso on Badwam. And then Friday Makato say Bujai, Ebona Ejai, de Ako. Happy birthday, Uncle Enfama. Madam Felicia Asimani Obin, CEO of Health Alert Clinic. So CEO, happy birthday, Enko and Famau. Yamisha no nyo kese kopim so beye kese pa. So the new voice me kan chiro say Electoral Commission bi enkrata mo ato say ye nyina ye trading. Fa honko shembu ye Ghana babuna. O start on the 7th, obewie 27th. O say Ghana babunu nyina afo ho enhyem na ontimi twiro mo din yi. Esan say ni so ade hu na mo pe no ono na betimi ede amammo but you so nya voters ID card na December 7 so a wotimi akogina eye laimu akwakotwere odin also make sure so nya voters ID card no nya papa mu so be bia da na akwam also nya challenge bia o center na person mo bo wa frame 0531 100 081 0531 100 081 a message from the new force. Alaj.
I was na manu is
3 seconds.
Oh, no Roma. Na make say Dr. Bawumia policy say obama yen a flat tax rate e be obi ahwa to no. Na wetimi planning businesses na e dey encourage businesses. And afei so no the golden age for the maximization of the benefit of our natural resources. Say obo ade ejapade ode adom yen eye gold, diamond, timber ne sa ne ma no edru bra o say Ghana fo nyina no so fa so na say Ghana fo taking 100% ownership e wo mu na be boa ma yetimi saving more gold e wo Ghana ha from independence ABC 2019 na ye gold ayo reserve mu ye 8.7 tons but abra Bawumia and Bank of Ghana mo kasa and na gold for your policy near buy no say yetimi store over 32 tons of gold I don't see natural resources in the money na cost we twa anya more gold e be show up our currency no na depreciation no swati na Ghana for nya
party press conference be yeah mo question is say mo hwe no wa nwa abatoni easy bit me we abemo Ghana
oh sir easy we abemo but even before
oh easy we abemo Ghana
oh mo we abemo I can give you several examples
okay we dey
na mo mo call your best ejuso
okay
2-3 weeks ago yeah mo ankasa mpa mo nipa mienu bi say ye ba wo musika
so wa nwa abatoni
na dey tire ye pa mo no because what you with Juma
or ya violating the Juma na war yen
couldn't violate say will be better usika violate then
just say yes ne say ono nji sure the Juma Juma ni no fa no ebusa hanse share ne so on ne fa ne pa na Juma and watch us say because we abum sam share so untimi and tonkoso na menya adwuma.
That is good, but since you say no man futi preko pa yen.
Say die na yisi ye am fi so mo tumi wi aba.
Good.
And also we aba to bebre bi e
several occasions. Ebi nso eye ye be say as in of aye koyi.
Okay.
O I mean Ghana fu nyina ni ekosi wa say no. Ajuswa aba to ye kotu yi. Obehu issue official okai ye 37 ko 39 and 49. Now you bebre.
You drawn attention. No, correcting that error.
Baby. What the or correcting that error no way. I mean, just so the or correcting.
Just say, oh yes, I'm mistaken. Now you drawn attention on correcting.
And I'm say why not drawn attention? That is the figure. Well, you the call election no obi e dey di ngugu. Ya isisi no. We yes no when we aba.
Nipa say isi no.
No
say isi no.
Of course. Oh, now won't you now say bebre e ka say na ye di sika ne ne keka ho.
You say ye di sika enye yisi asem. Obi ma obi sika ewo na enhyem so mfa nkoto aba.
Yisi shishemu. Na won't say ye koto aba ma isi ama ya chi obi da.
So why dey?
And this youth election na ekoye ye no. Want to say isi ma ya chi ebi mo say omo aye bibia omo ye isi official.
Also mo ye den.
Omo aye bibia etia sa
bibi no mo ye etia isi.
Well, I don't remember exactly what the issue.
Okay, so it means okay, so secretary asem na aka no. Now say isi fee say empodede na wo ye. Na a bit distracted exercise no mo ye na. They have every right to report to the police. Ni you if you want.
No, to end message so isi so after there.
Yeah.
Say man kotsena se ma amamfo nchiche sika mpa beto aba. Na wo nso wa beka say abato no akọ now you have to admit say bibi koso so woman be na officer no na papa then we move on, but there are even more tangible issues affecting the activities of EC NDC for you raising concerns.
Okay,
but make a bibi nchero the concerns are NDC for raising and yet the first time you raising concerns about EC no. Indeed in 2012 Dr. Farijan Antwaba okay they didn't want to have because of concerns among for raising an attempt to tag him with a certain political affiliation. Into a kotuaba. Now, I say, why not what to abano amano?
Okay.
It goes to confirm that we have a position now, not MPP for. But after example, Emma Charlotte say by MPP for to the extent, say, a bimo unsama yentimenka. Say obi ne die answer ye man no stand position in the account. So I mean clearly all sort of things have been said to the EC before.
Let me say if my party put a tagline and a caution, don't attempt to rig 2024 elections, sir. It's dangerous.
And America may say we are not just saying don't
because
attempt.
Both NPP and NDC by virtue of Supreme Court ruling, I mean, say, sang trona mucha to yisi so say we abam. Enya no kre. First one was in 2013 by the NPP. Nanado Danko Agufado. Second one was John Dramani Mahama. The Supreme Court
cannot the John Mahama case with the NDC in the Supreme Court in 2021
yeah
cannot be said to be the same because ote easy obi toto easy nano. Utie that the 2012 at least easy electoral commissioner Herbert Nasi what's
the court no and now court ne shares no de ho atemu bai say ye ka say Mr. John Dramani Mahama ya ogina mu a of file a suit no enko ye appeal bia so enko ye appeal bia against the judgment in the bai no
and I'm say
the ruling so we believe say he accepted the ruling in good faith and the ruling here say na nya no crash electoral commission we abem anaso to anamo bia
you are by law
okay
I have made to accept rulings of the court.
You are by law.
But yeah, by law. I was you go to
yes.
Where is the highest another place I'll be
is it still the Supreme Court?
Correct.
You do appeal
and so that is the end. What could you say? Nyame can say me no wo yet ho. What say you to two electoral commission ya ma obi kwan to because saa de na ye no a lawyer for any a judge for catch say enu ene bema wo mo on be di aten so when America ehu the integrity of Sadipan. Because in Sambia waka ne position ukra bisa no question na ebe chire obi apeveze oh we dey na adwen mo han onye body bia anas send your to papa so dey no no so ne bibi
who say up to now who say up to now both NDC and people be no ultimately tangible evidence there by chess electoral commission we about Ghana
na me no wo kasei aba to yetimi wi anasa yentimi wi that is the basic question we need to begin to ask ourselves yetimi wi abato yetumi ena abato nso enye event
okay
a process the process no wo ye hwan na ye defa weni a na ye de afa weni no wo ye beto aba wie no wo be say say event no has been compromised already
because of your
negligence
okay
so only America now about a ye process ba ko any din tru a ye tru
okay
easy abegine mu age atumu say issues bi a NDC raise ye no kre say wo mo aye mistake ana say wo mo nje ntu mu o mo age atu say mistake no wo ye hwe han na o mu ja ye betimi di aka records ni mu a ebema figures no akosoro
okay
esen ya na nka wo say wo ho ana
okay
yes South figures no invalid maybe a MPP for every ni bebre. Those are the places. Inti sa process no na ye komu an is NDC for to actually pay say we are ahead of the EC.
Okay.
And no more time so are more vigilant than they used to be. Now vigilance no and once so only be say and them no work say unum say EC figures or more about day 4 day 3 no. And also sample for aba
okay you also more correct
I was more correct because figures no and to me and kambu now say me bisa say incompetence one of the reasons are you betimi dey yi ECA free unim sa by law so what say ontimi ye na adwuma no na me busa wo say ya kotro din ma wa tro din mi ensa ma tro 3 as we say atro edin 4 na ye obeka bomu keke say nde ma tro din 20 and I'm told the 18. Then also we mistake. Then the chance we are competent to continue.
But as a large Nasir Mohammed.
Ababa. Agwazi. Say ultimi oni maswa.
Okay.
O say okashiri enye. Sana akanfo ebube no. So hwe NDC for a omo posture omo adopting na omo hu so omo re. Clearly
abana ye nto ye no.
Omo hu so omo re.
How?
Oh na say uko school na say wo try jam na say ube feel a uhu pa uko examination room ho no mo a friend say leading to the examination na ka be hu prepare preparation ni say exam si metimi atworo ni metimi aye ni eti wo de saa hu ni nyina wo mu a de court examination room ho obi ko ni bo paper no so a otumi sori no afa na pen ni you know aso no wa pie ko otimi nye obi on so betena ho a we say de wa tworo nyina no owi o se we de nyame amemu de a me feel it in that process that sequence NDC they are sensing defeat and no more PDB they are sheno and until now omata say omo bob nan alaji manage so we ba Debbie Alaji man Alaji 2000 Alaji no by logic Alaji said now can what me the account the most raising concern na mo sensitive mo kasa yen change opaque the ballot box so na mo sensitive when you sensitive the new patriotic party by the grace of God and by the good people of this country, is winning the 2024 elections hands down.
It's more challenge be our easy adwuma na oye no.
Akwasi? Easy independent in accordance with the duties are oye.
Okay.
And you have legal means of challenging the EC.
Okay.
You're the agents, you're training your agents because as a political party, the business and preoccupation of any serious political party, so we need political power.
Yeah.
And you winning political power. And so they are like in a Siru, say easy election several times, easy we have always win an election on our own accord and by the grace of God. A Ghana for who your competence. And I'm Ghana saying, sir. Ebia not your cano. Or when easy that done ye near maybe. And until South Muni say Ebia, a bet me a coso. But may catch the say, so I won't bet me a trigger anything to remove the easy ammonia near fire Mammy Lodina Mahama. MA Electoral Commission chairperson. Said the Bayer, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. and mo nyama nyankopon nam Ghana for so de be hye December 7th no enye tainted na ebe ye krogen papa no whether we like it or yes by the grace of God inshallah Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is winning the 2024 general elections. Are
you okay by the way you see issues?
Yeah, the agent MIA report at the end of the day.
Okay.
The National Party will take a decision on the ECA.
Okay.
They also have court, court. They also have IPA discuss, IPA discuss. And too many EC, press conferences, and no part area number, and they resolve that problem. Akwasi? What had a performance of the new patriotic party about Kwankwa as at 2022?
Don't.
They are 11,974 kilometers of road.
I'm telling you because
as at 2022,
even initially.
As at 2022, they are 11,974 kilometers of road. That's why we need dualization. And then can come home. That's why dualization. 22 then come home. Atimota, Atimota to Kafu Kromudiano.
Ah, will be
10 lanes. No, then come home.
Correct.
President Kufuor Parliament, no come home.
Catch them say,
don't know what dualization. Then come home.
Equivalent.
Then come home.
Odoko Malam Highway are rolling. On man equivalent.
The Akwasi is here. Now, Chim.